vacation. So Friday maybe.
After vacation, AB, no, after vacation. Or else you can send an email for the vacation code 2 days prior to the vacation code. We have 2 days vacation code. It will be notified soon.
Similar prayer, my lord, day after tomorrow, my lord. In fact, my lord, in this case, my lord,
No, no.
in fact, my lord,
No, please,
my lord,
please.
this is died, my
No,
lord. This is died, my lord, leaving a 6 months old baby, my lord. That baby is
No,
the petitioners, my lord.
No.
That's my lord, that is the
No. This is B or AB?
AB, my lord.
No. You can send a
Mother
email.
died, mother died,
No.
leaving a 6
You can
months
send an
old baby.
email for the vacation code on I think there will be 2 days vacation code. So you please send an email 2 days prior. It will be listed. Don't worry. But not on these 2 days. Not on these 2 days. I'm really sorry.
Day after tomorrow, my lord.
No. On vacation code. Not on these 2 days.
Past vacation code, my lord.
No.
Right.
On
vacation code, past
Yes.
vacation code, my lord.
apply through email 2 days. Prior to 2 days. It will be notified. I think
Yes,
today
yes,
it will be notified.
Please, Your Lordship, kindly adjourn the matter. Item number 12. If with the consent of the other side, there is an interim in this honor. Let the interim may be continued. Item 12.
Lordship, I am appealing for the respondent. It is urgent matter. Let him come immediately after vacation.
Yes.
Learned Council Miss
P. Burua,
P. Borua on behalf of
P. Deca.
Learned Council Miss Mr. B. Deka has, with the consent owner, has prayed for adjournment. Learned Council Mr. D.K. Bodle
Ye-
has raised objections stating that this is a long pending case.
The domestic violence case, it is an urgency in.
This is an urgent matter. Please the matter on 18 July.
Interim may be continued.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, I beg to mention item number 19, my lord. My lord, sir, I have some personal difficulties, my lord. Thereby, my lord, the matter may be fixed after vacation, my lord. Any date as per your lordship convenience, my
Learned Council
DK Das.
DK Das has prayed for adjournment. List the matter vacation. 19.
Date, please, Your Lordship. My lord, I beg to mention item number 42 and 44, my lord. Kindly pass over for the date, my lord. 42 and 44. Interim is there, my lord. 42 and 44. It is here, my lord.
We have the CD. We'll
My
fix
lord.
it after vacation.
My lord, I have some personal difficulties, but I take.
You'll have to send back, my lord, for after the.
We'll fix it after vacation. Learned Council Mr.
S. Rahman.
S. Roman has prayed for adjournment. Learned PP Mr. B. Sharma has submitted that CD is received. Send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD, list the matter on. Are you in interim bid?
Yes, both the cases.
How many days you have taken adjournment?
I have some personal difficulties.
No. How many times?
How many times you have taken adjournment?
First time.
First time.
First.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Deeply obliged. My lord, I have another prayer, item number 26, your lord. In this case, CDS call for.
26. My lord, in this case, my lord,
Petitioner is an interim, my lord.
You are in interim, then we will give you a limited time to appear.
Yes.
Learned Council Mr. S. Roman, no?
On behalf of SM Abdullah.
S. Roman, on behalf of Learned Council Mr. S.M. Abdullah P. has prayed, is present for the petitioner. Learned Edison PP Mr. B. Sharma submitted that charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
Our charge sheet number, my lord, 15/25, 2025, dated 29/1,
The petitioner is
2025.
directed to appear before the jurisdictional court stroke Elaka magistrate within 20 days and apply for bail which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
May it please, Your Lordship?
Yes, yes.
Lordship, my lord, I have filed a bail application on last Monday, my lord. And out of the same CD, my lord, another case is listed on today, my lord, as item number 20, my lord. So my matter may also be, my lord, taken up along with that item 20, my lord.
Your matter has
Already
not been
filed.
listed.
Not listed, my lord. Already filed on Monday, my lord.
Track.
Lordship, my
But after 2 o'clock, I won't be available.
Lordship, my
I'll be in a division bench.
before 2, my lord.
So you
Okay.
try.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, item number 25. Anticipatory bill. The case diary has still not been received.
Gen for today.
Case diary has called for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on.
25. Item 25. Madam, in this case also charge sheet submitted, madam.
Okay,
No case, no?
to cut it, cut it. Your name,
GR Datta.
learned counsel, Mr. G.R. Dot is present on behalf of learned senior counsel, Mr. K.R. Chaudhary. Learned addition to P, Mr. B. Sharma has submitted a charge sheet has been laid against the petitioner B. CS number,
25.
No, case number given. Madam, charge sheet number 47 of 2025, dated 28 to 2025.
okay then, you appear before the trial court within 20 days.
14
Hmm?
Madam, no, madam.
The petitioner is at liberty, the petitioner is directed to appear before the jurisdictional magistrate jurisdictional court Elaka magistrate within 30 days from today and apply for bail which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Madam.
Till then, no coercive action will be taken.
May I please, Your Worship, I'd like to mention item number 14.
No,
We have some personal difficulty.
One.
my lord. 1-4.
item number.
So can it be fixed after 14? Can it be fixed after vacation, my lord?
Of course. What about the other side?
Your Lordship,
Have you mentioned,
we will,
have you taken the consent?
we will take the consent, my lord.
You will take
We will take my
learned counsel, Mr.
P.S. Raja, my lord. Sir.
P.S. Raja has submitted that he will take the consent of the other side and he has prayed for adjournment as he has some personal difficulties.
Yes, my lord.
Are you on interim protection?
No, my lord.
List the matter. Vacation officer.
I'll leave.
Yeah, it is about the gist number.
May I do? Lordship, I take to mention item number 55 and 56. 56. In this case, Lordship, I need to some take instruction. Kindly pass over for the dialogue.
For the day.
It may be taken up after vacation.
Learned
No,
counsel,
no, charge sheet हो गई.
have you taken consent from the other
Not-
side? Learned counsel, Mr.
AMS Mojumdar.
AMS Mozumdar with the consent of the other side has prayed for adjournment. 55 and 56.
Yes.
List the matter on after 3 weeks.
Wait, Mr. Worship. I beg to mention for listing of an matter for withdrawal, Lordship, AB. Anticipate the bill. Tomorrow, Lordship. Obliged.
May please, Lordship.
Hmm.
May please, Lordship. So I am sorry, my lord. I have already begged to mention item number 26, your Lordship. In this case, interim order till 20 days.
Interim order, till then no coercive action to be taken.
No, madam, charge sheet already submitted, madam.
Till then no.
Yes.
coercive.
Till the
I've given him time to approve.
interim order shall continue till the.
Yes, yes. Till then no coercive action to be taken.
26, no?
Yes. Right.
Madam, in respect of item number 63, madam.
Mm.
Madam, case record was called for in this case, madam. Perhaps it's not received, madam, as per the office notes, madam.
Okay, after vacation,
Can it be, madam, on 16th of July, madam?
can be. Scan copies of the trial court record and CD. As called for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on 16th of July.
Yes, yes. I'm deeply aware.
This is a listing of criminal petition matters.
Court number 3.
May please, Lordship. Lordship, I am paying for listing of regular bail application tomorrow, Lordship. Tomorrow is
Not
7.
How many years?
7 years.
No, not be, 8 to year, no. You will have to go to court number 11.
11.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30, lordship.
Hmm.
Kindly pass over the matter after vacation, lordship.
Part 30.
Yes.
CD noticing.
CD has called for. is not
Madam, they are
received.
interim, madam.
Issue reminder, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Lordship.
May I please, Lordship, for listing one anticipatory bail, AB, and under sections
AB,
AB,
what is the punishment, duration?
section 69 BNS.
What is
Tomorrow, Lordship, because petitioner is a.
AB?
AB.
No. See, I am giving you an advice. Tomorrow it's not possible.
Lordship,
Today
petitioner-
also many cases won't be possible. What is the point? You see, everybody will keep on waiting. So the best thing is you'll be, I think you'll get relief. You send an email for the vacation code prior to 2 days.
Lordship,
It will be notified, it will be
Lordship,
notified. Today itself it will be
one-
notified.
Lordship,
Vacation-
petitioner is a OC actually, and he will,
Sorry?
petitioner is the OC of Gauripur Police Station. And he will face many loss if.
No,
So-
no. or I have to treat equally, everybody I have to treat equally. This is a court. Why,
No,
I have advised 2, 3 councils to send an email for the vacation court, and why special treatment for Mr. OC?
no, Lordship, no special request. Just because he will face many losses. Actually, cases,
This is the problem. Why you're not having, there's only patience, you need patience for only 4 days, I think. Today is 25, 5 days patience. 30th,
then day after tomorrow.
I think 30th will be notified most probably. No, HR. You send an email 2 days prior to the vacation court. You'll have to send an email by the way, huh? Keep that in mind. Then prior to 2 days, then your case will be listed on vacation court. Minimum 2 days.
Lordship, item number 25, senior counsel K.N. Chaudhary is appearing. So let the matter. Yes, I only mentioned it. So I had mentioned for adjournment of the, I did not know that the charge sheet had been filed. So the matter may come up in regular course.
I've already passed an order, no? I've already passed an order.
Yes, your Lordship, if it's possible.
Did you contact him?
I told
You have not contacted him, no?
Whom?
Have you contacted him? Did you
No.
call him and inform him that about such and such order was passed?
No, I couldn't.
No, he won't mind. Why are you so scared?
Regular.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28, Lordship. In this case, I'm on interim bail, Lordship. But the case, probably case jury is not here. Gauripur.
Serious call for is not received. We should reminder list the matter on 22nd July.
Interim may
Interim
continue.
order shall remain in force till then.
Highly obliged.
Item 1.
May I please your Lordship? Lordship, item number 1 and 2 out of same affair, Lordship. And Lordship, out of same affair, one BA is pending, BA number 2060, Lordship. And that is fixed on 27/6 for CD, Lordship. Let the matter come up.
Okay. Item number 1, 2, detailed liquidate.
One and
Call for
two.
the city list the matter on 27.
Along with Lordship,
Along with BA number
2060 of 25.
2060 of 25.
Much obliged.
Item 3.
May I please your Lordship, under section 483 BNS, CD may be closed. Gusaigaon PS case.
Call for the city list the matter on after vacation.
Any date may be lodged.
17 July.
Much.
Item 4.
My lord, matter may be taken after some time. Senior counsel, like Mr. Ray sir, is a duty. Obliged.
My lord, page 7 is the FIR. Some co-accused your lordship has already been granted bail yesterday, lordship, regarding gold restaurant case, lordship. Yeah, if your lordship kindly come to page 30, the involvement of the petitioner is lordship paragraph.
Persons who have purchased the gold I have given.
Well, my lord, I am jeweler, lordship. I purchased the gold, lordship. I did not know that this gold was the stolen property.
Okay, all right. Yes.
My lord, here, I have already, my lord, yesterday, my lord, objected that they are organized, my lord. They are already, my lord, organized crime, my lord. Several persons.
They are stealing and they
My
are
lord, stealing
buying.
that it was given to the, my lord, jewelry, then jewelry also melted.
Yes.
Then it was, my lord.
And they
sold to another
continue, they are
person, my
history sheeters
lord.
also.
All of them are involved, my lord. Here from the forwarding report, it was revealed so also. my
Yes.
lord.
There are 3 lordship I have stated in page 13. I have a
Okay,
license
how
holder,
many days you are behind bars?
lordship, from 15/6, lordship, 10 days, lordship.
Only 10 days, my lord. It is
Okay,
too short, my lord.
objection.
Under objection, lordship.
Third learned counsel, Mr. M. Khan for the petitioner. Soiful Islam, who has filed his application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as the petitioner is behind bars since 15/6/2025 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Third, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP Assam. Post of the learned additional PP has raised serious objections stating that the petitioner is a history cheater. He works in a network of similar miscreants who are attuned to purchasing gold and selling the gold, and some other miscreants who are in the who purchase the gold and sell the gold.
There are three, my lord, in forwarding, my lord.
I'm not saying that I have no purchased lordship. If bona
It is
fide,
submitted that
Not person,
that the petitioner will continue with his illegal activities once he is out on bail and deterrence is the need of the hour. Full stop, HOUR. Huh? I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. The So what is your ground? Charity.
no.
charity lordship, in fact, lordship, I have no.
The petitioner has prayed for bail on the grounds of parity as a similarly circumstance accused has been granted bail in connection with BA number 2062 of 2025, by order dated 24/6/2025 passed by this court. The petitioner is willing to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him.
Initially, although it was 334(1) and 305, my lord, later it was also added, my lord, thumb section of this case also. After they are from Iowa.
It is for the, in reply, the learned edition PP has submitted that some higher sections have already also been added. And the petitioner is not entitled to bail on the ground of parity. After considering the submissions at the bar, it appears that bail may be granted to the petitioner. It appears that custodial interrogation or custodial detention may not be required. Considering all aspects, the petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a local surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the
Learned CJM Bongaigaon.
learned CJM Bongaigaon under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which is alleged. The petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. He is from Bongaigaon.
My lord.
And the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission.
No, lordship, he is from Borpeta. lordship.
If not, and the petitioner shall not tamper with the evidence on breach of any of the bail conditions. Bail order shall automatically, or the court is at liberty to cancel the bail granted to the petitioner. It the allegation against the FIR unfolds that a heavy PP petitioner submission or first submission of the FIR unfolds that on 29/5/2025 at about 9 AM, the informant noticed that that some miscreants had broken into her house and committed theft of gold chain, gold gold nickels, gold bangle, and cash, gold earrings and cash of rupees 16 lakhs.
Master.
Also, this petitioner herein is a senior manager of the airport lordship. Now, the FIR that has been lodged is a sinister designed to remove the petitioner from the office. Now, what has happened, lordship, the junior officer has lodged an FIR before the concerned police station stating that the petitioner is involved in stealing certain batteries which were lying in the store of the office, the airport. Now, the FIR is at page number 11, lordship. This is the allegation that has been made. It's a completely baseless allegation as a senior officer has been implicated in this FIR by a junior officer just with some vindictive intention to remove him from the office and to give way for some other person, lordship. I'm just referring to page number 11, annexure 1. This is the FIR, lordship. this second paragraph, the batteries were last seen, the first paragraph, I, Swapnil Mukund Patil, son of Sachin Sir, as an officer in charge of Ruchi Airport, would like to bring to your kind attention to the matter of stolen 48 numbers of batteries of make Amaron Quanta from Ruchi Airport. The batteries were last seen on November 2024 at the airport. These batteries were meant for buyback by the contractor. When the contractor contacted us, we started searching everywhere at the airport, but they were found nowhere. We were asked every head of the department at the airport, but they refused to know their whereabouts. We confirmed that the batteries were stolen from the airport. After that, we approached the Rupshi police outpost and requested for help and lawful action.
Yes, yes.
Uh,
Yes,
My lord. Take-
8 days in custody.
Exactly, Lordship. He has been tortured in the police, Lordship. I have annexed that document also, Lordship. If your Lordship kindly see the order of the concerned judicial magistrate, it is at page number 23. Page number 23, the last paragraph. Accused Ajay Kumar Das stated that police has tortured him one day and he has shown a mark of bruise on his back, which according to him was caused by beating police with stick. And thereafter, the concerned judicial magistrate Lordship, the next paragraph, next page, the last paragraph, last but one. In view of the allegation of torture by the accused, the matter is forwarded to the Superintendent Police Kokrajhar with the direction to conduct necessary inquiry. So he has been mercilessly beaten by the police Lordship at the police custody when he was in the police custody. So Lordship, there is nothing, no allegation Lordship. I am the senior manager Lordship of the airport and I am getting substantial this salary. Why I will be involved in this sort of stealing and of the batteries? This is absolutely some sort of vindictive design to implicate the petitioner for some wrongful gain Lordship.
That is their submission, my lord. Here, Lordship, Annexer 2, my lord, page 70, my lord, forwarding report, my lord.
Okay.
The accused persons are directly involved in the commission of the offense stolen of the property from Rupsi Airport, man. But during investigation, sufficient evidence are found against the accused persons. Fourth, if the accused person is not arrested, so keep my lord. If the accused person released on bail, the remaining 28 batteries could not be ascertained or recovered. 6, my lord, accused person, 6, my lord. 7th, the seizure article amount on the batteries from the possession of the accused Asghar Ali Sheikh. These batteries bought from another accused person, Priyam Ghosh, and the whole battery stolen from Rupsi Airport with the help of another accused person, Ajay Kumar Das, electric in search of Rupohi Airport, my lord. From the forwarding report, it reveals that he is the involved, my lord. And at this stage, Lordship may call for CD after perusal of CD, my Lordship may consider their.
Lordship, there is some urgency in the matter, Lordship. He is suffering from some other inmates, Lordship. And in the on the order of the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate, it has been specifically mentioned that he is suffering even in the forwarding report, Lordship. It is the, if your Lordship kindly see the order, I'm just referring to the order, Lordship, page number 23. Ajay Kumar Das, also a patient of piles and asthma. So he's having some medical issues, Lordship. Can it be taken up the before vacation, Lordship? The scan copy may be called for, Lordship, because there is no allegation, Lordship. He has been falsely implicated. He's a senior manager, Lordship. He is getting substantial salary. Why he will be involved? And Lordship, kindly see the case which has been registered. He is a habitual offender. Whether this person who is holding a senior manager post, engineering post, Lordship, he will be involved in the habitual offender. 3174 has been registered against the petitioner and theft. What is the requirement of that, Lordship? This is not for his livelihood, Lordship. And he has been implicated for some vested reason that he will be dismissed from the post and accordingly some other person can be accommodated. And the junior officer without any prior order, because for the stolen, because why I'm saying so, Lordship, in the FIR it is very much clear. There is no indication that when these particular properties were not found and when this, because they have informed the Rupshi, the police station, but at the time of informing the Rupshi police station, there should be some FIR, nothing of that sort. Suddenly one fine morning they have lost the FIR. So it goes to show the mala fide intention of the concerned person who is a junior officer just to implicate the petitioner for some wrongful gain, Lordship. I'm not praying for any other order, Lordship. It will be taken up before vacation, Lordship. Because he is already in
Any
custody.
battery seized?
Yes, Lordship. Battery has been seized. It is there in the foreign report, Lordship. These are the list is there.
20 recovered ballot.
Page number 21.
It is yet to be recovered.
Page number 21, Lordship.
What is the price of these batteries?
These are all old batteries, Lordship, lying in the store of the airport, Lordship. And why this petitioner will be involved in this sort of batteries? This is only 12 volt G2H, these batteries, Lordship, small batteries, Lordship. And what is the use of that? If he's
When
not,
seizure list?
yes, Lordship, is a page number 21. This in the foreign report, it has been mentioned, Lordship. Further, IOS produced the seizure list of the case by Kajingao PS case number such and such, along with the seized articles and photographs of seized articles by the MR number such and such.
What is G2H battery?
These are the power of that particular battery, Lordship.
What will be the
12 volt, Lordship, 12V.
What would be the
Lordship.
value of such batteries?
Batteries for this airport, Lordship. The value, Lordship, exactly I don't know the value, but these are not very costly batteries, Lordship. These are old batteries which have been replaced by the other new batteries, Lordship. It's of no use of
So I think
stealing the
this-
old battery.
This, I think he can be granted bail.
Well,
Because what is the point of calling the CD? Then come
Exactly,
the
Lordship.
vacation, then after 2 weeks, he will be still in the jail, then he's suffering from some ailment
Ailment
also.
also, Lordship. And he has been tortured in the police custody also,
My
Lordship.
lord, from my point of view, my
No,
lord,
he is a
from the, my
complicit.
lord,
I'm not
as
saying.
part of-
he-
Exactly, Lordship. All condition I will follow, Lordship.
forwarding report also, my lord, it represents his involved, my lord.
Yes, he is in.
28 yet to be recovered, my lord. If he is involved, my lord, how is,
According to
28
him,
batteries
I
have been
don't know, I have no-
if he,
I do not know, but he's saying that those are not very expensive
my lord, if
batteries.
he is involved in this case, my lord, how is he get the benefit of my lord bail, my lord? Yes,
Already investigation is,
28 yet to be recovered.
he was in police custody already. Then after being tortured, he didn't
Getting the medical
divulge
assistance.
about anything, then what is the point of keeping him in judicial custody?
Lordship, kindly see page number 24. I'm just referring to the order of the learned trial court. Police has got sufficient time to unearth the truth, and the grounds mentioned in the forwarding are not substantiated in the case diary. The case diary is devoid of any reason supporting the grounds shown by the IO in the forwarding. Page number 24, Lordship, the second paragraph. This is the finding of the court also, the trial court was also there, Lordship. The second paragraph, Lordship. Police has got sufficient time to unearth the truth, and the grounds mentioned in the forwarding are not substantiated in the case diary. The case diary is devoid of,
Punishment,
Lordship, this 7 years, Lordship, for
seven,
this case.
the offenses of serious nature,
Yes, Lordship.
stealing from
Airport.
81, that early
Airport, look here,
381.
look here.
Lordship, I am the senior manager of the airport, Lordship. There is no reason
No,
for me to be involved.
A senior manager, I have seen many senior managers, what they are capable of doing.
Lordship, I'll cooperate to the investigation in all possible ways, Lordship. I'm the senior manager. I'll be staying there. I should not be given any other responsibility of the office. All conditions may be in
Copies, last day.
last day.
Call for the scan copies of the CD list, the matter on 27/6.
Obliged, Lordship.
Item number 5.
Item number 5 and 6 are connected. 4 officials of the audit team of the Punjab National Bank is before your lordship. Your lordship had granted a detailed order. In item number 5, your lordship, just have a look. This was based on, my lords, a complaint by wife of one of the complainant, and based on an apprehension of arrest in connection with a GD entry. FIR, whether FIR was lodged or not, a report was sought for. If your lordship just have a look at para 10 on
My
this.
lord, before starting my senior, my lord, here, a report was called from my lord, whether any FIR was registered or not, my lord. Today I have not received, my lord, at this stage, my lord.
We'll extend the interim. date.
Interim-
No, this is actually, that is why I was about to show your lordships if your lordship sees para 12, bail, however, in the meanwhile, considering the submissions
We'll
made by the,
extend- We'll extend it after vacation.
it is my lord, if you just have a look at the bail, because it is, if they appear, the statement has been recorded in the first case, both the petitioner before your lordship, as directed by your lordships, the statement were recorded on 4th of June. So your lordship had held that
But
if.
the CD has not arrived.
Your lordship is right, but your lordships held, just if they do so in the event of the arrest in connection with any police case registered on the basis of the said GD entry or on the basis of any FIR lodged against the present petitioners, they shall be allowed to go on bail of 30,000 each with a surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority, subject to the following conditions list.
They are interim, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, report.
we will extend it
Your lordship, as your lordship, this
till
is
after the vacation.
Fine.
Whenever you are here,
mine.
you can give me a date.
In the second, I wanted, so far as the first item 5, both the petitioner statement has been recorded. In 6th, in the other matter, my lord, there are 2 petitioners. One, the statement has been recorded. The second petitioner, Shameen Ahmed, because of health reason, and his statement was recorded through the telephonic mode. I just
It's okay.
wanted to apprise your lordship.
When you will be here?
No, my lord, so any date, my
Any
lord,
day.
whatever is convenient for your lord.
CDS call for is not received.
No, my lord,
Yes,
report,
the-
report.
Report of
Report
whether
of-
FIR has been lodged or not.
Any case has been lodged against the petitioners is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force. till then.
Can you, lordship, if it's convenient in August,
Yes, can be. 4th August.
a little later if it's possible. Deeply obliged, ma'am, deeply
In-
obliged.
Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Item number 7.
Very short. My lord, this is kindly called from the city, my lord.
Call for the city, list the matter on. When do you want?
15/7.
15 July. Fine, 15 July. 16 July.
Oh, my lord. Oh.
Item number 16 for hearing.
The matter may be taken up after some time, my lord. Panjal Bhattakur has gone through.
Item number 17.
মানে মানুহবোৰ অহা নাই মাতিম বুলি ভবা নাছিলে।
Please, your lordship. Lordship, regular bail application, lordship. As on the behind the bar, lordship, 44 days, lordship. Lordship, original FIR page number 14, lordship.
Well, here we have not received case there, my lord.
Serious call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on.
Lordship, kindly
17
consider the
July.
length of detention, lordship.
How many days you are behind bars?
44 days, lordship.
You are, what is your offense?
Offense is under section 316 clause 2, lordship, 319 clause 2 and 308 clause 5, lordship.
Where is the FIR?
FIR page number, lordship, 14, lordship.
Please read.
May I read, lordship?
Yes, yes.
With due respect, I beg to inform you that 1 month back from today, the below mentioned accused person had approached me
bond
through social media platform Facebook. The accused,
Yes.
with due respect, I would like to inform you that on 4/6/2025 evening at around 7 PM, my elder brother Karim Ali, aged about 55 years, along with his friend Mithun Narjay, resident of number 1 garden, after fishing at Goruphala River, has reached Hauraguri, Sadbil Part 1. At that moment, the below mentioned accused person with pre-planned communal mindset detained both of them, and the friend of my elder brother Mithun Narjay, seeing the furious behavior of the below mentioned accused person, fled away from the spot, and accused person started beating my brother Karim Ali mercilessly. The accused person aggressively attacked with iron rod and sharp weapon, causing bloodshed injuries, making my brother unconscious at the place of incident, and tried to kill him. Upon hearing loud noise at the place of incident, the neighbors informed it to the police, and police immediately arrived at the place and somehow saved him from the accused person, as he was in complete bloodshed and severely injured condition, and admitted him to RNBC Hospital Center. However, looking into the severity and criticality, the doctor sent him to Barpeta Medical College for advanced treatment. Presently, the injured person is fighting with death in the hospital, and my brother is bleeding through his eyes and mouth due to the brutal attack of the accused persons. I'm for my lord,
It's
5,
okay, it's okay. For the accused persons, yes.
Lordship, I'm here.
item 22 for one of the item.
Yes.
The case is regarding, my lord, dispute regarding the fishing, my lord. They are there and somebody has obstructed these petitioners and others, my lord. They are fishing and each other, my lord, they are obstructing each other fishing, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, that Marbit took place, my lord. And as per the
Injuries?
victim, my lord, some names have been given by them, my lord.
Porimali, he is
Yes.
the injured person.
Porimali is the injured person, my lord. Porimali is, my lord. Porimali is, my lord, injured is, my lord. Doctor Zokhom Hadharan Buli, Doctor Motamot Poa
Okay then.
And what is
AB or BA?
it is, my lord, or BA, my lord.
BA. And
Yes,
BA
ma'am.
plus 22
So from Adharan, then I.
21 days behind my mind.
Okay.
How many days you are behind bar?
21 days.
Huh?
21 days. 21 days, ma'am.
Both,
Both, ma'am.
both kids.
There are several petitioners, my lord.
I know.
They have been implicated by the victim, so my objection.
They were behind bars.
Yeah.
This already prevented.
Yes.
I think further dispute of this nature will be prevented. Our learned counsel, Mr. S. Bora, no?
K. Burua, my lord.
K. Borua for the petitioners. Panjon আছে নেকি? 5,
6, my lord.
6জন petitioner who have filed this application under নাম কিটা লিখি দিবা দেই 6জনৰ who have filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS.
Item 22, I am appearing, madam. Mainly
Yes.
petition number 1949.
Yes. I will pass separate orders. Otherwise, I think it will be difficult to get a release order also. The section who as they are behind bars since
5/6/2025.
5/6/2025 in connection with so-and-so case under so-and-so sections. Heard Mr. MP Usami Learned, additional PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioners is that on 4/6/2025 at about 7 PM.
Minor.
On a group clash, no? On a group clash, mercilessly assaulted Karim Ali, who had to be shifted to Barbara Medical College for advanced treatment as the victim was fighting with death and was bleeding through his eyes and mouth. The learned additional PP has raised objections stating that there are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. The witnesses have incriminated the petitioners. It is, what is your ground?
Lordship, my lord, in a group place, my lord, both sides, my lord, sustain some minor
It is
injuries. my lord.
submitted on behalf of the petitioner that there was indeed a group clash and both the parties have sustained injuries. I have also scrutinized the case diary. The victim has sustained simple injuries. It appears
Right.
that bail may be granted to the.
Yes, madam. Simple in my lord, opinion, my lord, but injuries are there, my lord, regarding fracture also.
Okay, fracture also.
Yes, ma'am, but opinion is simple, my lord.
Fracture cannot be simple.
But
Fracture on which part of his body?
orbital medial wall fracture, but it is simple, my lord.
Fracture on which part of his body? Let me see.
Yes, but it is, my lord, orbital medial wall fracture. That is, my lord, because of the funds, my lord, something like that. Fist injury.
I have also scrutinized the case diary.
Not. Perhaps because of the fist injury that is made simple.
On his face.
Yes, that is.
Although the victim, I have also scrutinized the medical legal report. Although the victim has sustained fracture on his face, yet the opinion of the doctor was that the injuries were simple in nature. Caused by
Fist injury, madam. Yes.
caused by fist. It appears that bail may be granted to the petitioner. The petitioner, I have considered the submission that the petitioners are willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. Considering all aspects, the petitioners are enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 each with a suitable security of like amount to the satisfaction of the
GGM M. Gusaigaon.
SGGM M. Gusaigaon under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which they are alleged. The petitioner shall pay before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. And the petitioner shall exercise strength to the witnesses or the victim on breach of any of the bail conditions. Bail order shall automatically stand cancelled. No, bail order shall, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner, send with the CD. Stop. ইটো একেই হয়, খালি এডভোকেটৰ নাম এছ বৰা কৰি দিব। বাকী
One petition.
পেটিশনাৰ এজন হ'ব।
Oblige, madam.
Please, Lordship, kindly possible for time being, my lord.
All right.
Case record was called for, my lord.
But
Kindly
you see,
possible for-
afternoon,
It is not received.
after
by-
2, there won't be any time, no?
Oh,
I'll be
okay,
going
okay,
to
Lord.
attend the
Lord,
division bench
Lordship.
hearing.
But at 23, my lord, nothing is been received with office notice. So anyway, my lord, it will not suffice any purpose.
Offense is serious.
No, my lord, 23, my lord,
They may ask, I think,
While,
because
they may ask for bail without CD maybe.
no,
If
it is.
Some
Lordship,
copies.
Lordship, I am
Yes, madam.
behind
It
the
is
bar.
my
my-
succeeded case can
55
be
days,
not
my
received.
lord.
Okay, no, we'll need the scan copies.
Not-
My lord, actually, this case earlier at the time of filing, it was pending before
Yes, we'll need the scan copies.
Lordship, but it is pending before the CGM Bongaigaon. But after commitment of this case, my lord, it is now pending before district and session judge. So, Lordship,
Maybe call from.
They will know,
Registry will be.
from which court to
Then-
call for the scan copies.
Lordship kindly fix on 27. My
No,
lord,
no.
my lord, I'm behind the
27
bar 55 days, and I'm student.
What
Lordship,
is the offense?
Lordship,
It is the-
offense,
Regarding my lord,
page number 10, my lord. Kindly see the FIR. With due respect, I beg to state that it has come to our knowledge that one Nazibul Islam uploaded a post on social media directly or indirectly supporting Pakistan.
after
That
the
is,
Pahalgam
that
attack,
is the
they-
allegation,
We
my
need the
lord.
CD, we will need the CD.
My lord,
These
kindly
cases
fix on
may be taken
27, my
up
lord,
so
before
depending.
vacation, my lord.
It says, let
Scan
LCR
copies,
come,
we
my
need
lord.
the scan
My lord,
copies.
before vacation, kindly, 55 days I am behind the bar. I am a student, my lord.
55 days.
Yes, my lord, yes.
What is the duration of punishment?
Life or up to 7 years, my lord. Only 50.
Now, my lord, it is succeeded, my lord. That will not come, my lord. The statutory.
No, I'm just
My lord, he is saying that.
trying to
Up
assess
to
the
7 years,
gravity.
my lord, and or life.
Or life or up to 7 years,
Yes.
not 10 years.
No, 7 years. Life or up to 7 years, only 152 BNS.
Whether it will not, it will be 90 days offense.
No, no, no.
90
No.
days period.
60 is
Statutory period will be 90 days, no?
Yes,
60 is
no, no. Nowadays, my sections. Because
I think some of the cases are fixed on 27, I think.
not these cases. Not these cases.
So what is the gravity of the offense?
Gravity of the offense is there, my lord, because at that point of
90
time.
days statutory period.
Yes, ma'am. Because at that point of time, my lord, the timing of that, my lord, it might, lordship, there are coming up.
Terrorist activities.
Yes, terrorist activities is coming out from several corners, my lord. So that is why they have been picked up. They are directly supporting,
Pakistan.
yes, Pakistan, my lord. So it's not a very simple crime. At that point
But,
of time
you
where.
take a piece of advice from me. You, I'm not fixing it on 27. You send an email just before the holiday court. 2 days prior to the holiday court. There'll be 2 days of holiday court. Then scan copies. I'll call for the scan copies. Then you send an email and get it listed. Scan
Imprisonment
copies of
for life.
transport record as call for is not received. Issue reminder to forward the scan copies on or before 14 July. But meanwhile, it will come.
It is life, my lord.
Lordship, if it will come on
You see,
27.
it will be notified today or tomorrow. The holiday courts will be notified today or tomorrow.
Oh.
So I have mentioned on or before, not on. So it may come before also. And if it won't come, it is for a
Okay,
holiday court to
27. I will.
consider.
Okay.
Not 27. 14 July. On or before 14 July.
Lordship, then it will be, I yet to be taken admission, my lord. I second year.
No. That I'm not bothered about. I'm only allowing you a date. Higher secondary and all this I'm not bothered about.
Obliged.
No, no, he-
May I please your lordship, the offense is 22C, read with 29 NDPS.
Item number given is
70.
uh,
hearing or motion?
Hearing, your lordship, bail hearing.
read.
The chassis, it's a charge sheeted matter. I have been behind bars for one
Madam,
year,
madam,
10 months.
Madam, some cases have been gone through by P. Bhattakur, madam. He is on legs, madam. Along with there, 2-3 cases are there, madam. So he will come, madam.
Okay,
Just-
after some
just
time,
only, just.
after some time,
I-
but before two, okay?
Before to,
After some time, but before two.
yes, yes.
My
Let him be there, madam.
Okay,
He's coming.
Yes, I'll be there.
Item 61. 61. Rakhid ho gaya. Item 24.
Twenty-four. CD not receiving 24, madam.
CGS call for is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on 17 July.
Lordship.
Item 27. You are on interim bail also? You are on interim bail, no? Out of number, interim bail said remaining post till then. You are on interim bail.
Lordship,
28 na 28.
28.
28 of July.
May it please your lordship, it's a anticipatory bail application, my lord. The 482 of the BNSS, my lord. Here, my lord, it's a second application, my lord. Lordship may kindly look at the earlier order, my lord. That is, we have annexed page 26, my lord. My lord, it was rejected on 18/11/2024, my lord. And possibly we could not place our case properly, my lord. Where page 27, lordship would see, my lord, what we prayed before lordship, my lord. Para 4, my lord. That was the contention before lordship at that point of time, my lord, and lordship would see that 28, my lord, that para 5, my lord, that there were materials in the case diary and investigation may be adversely affected, my lord. But thereafter, lordship kindly see at this juncture, my lord, kindly see, my lord. So at that point of time, lordship was possibly of the view that that protection may not be granted. Now here, my lord, if your lordship kindly have a look, my lord, at the FIR, my lord, we have annexed page 18, my lord.
Mm.
There are 3-4 allegations, my lord, and kindly see, my lord, the second para, there was 2 summons, my lord. On merit, my lord, there were 2 summons which was issued, my lord, to the present informant, my lord. Page 18, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship got it, my lord.
Yes.
So there, lordship find that 2 summons, my lord, second para, my lord.
Mm.
So 2 summons were received. So he went to that CGST, my lord, officer, and he came to know, my lord, that there was unpaid liability of CGST, SGST against his name, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, so, my lord, our contention, my lord, here, my lord, the allegation is that there was fake input of CGST, my lord. That lord should find, my lord, my lord, unpaid liability, my lord. My lord, can you see that third, my lord, when I investigated, my lord, I came to know that the above 2 employees, in collaboration with each other, siphoned off huge amount of money from my bank account to their account and other account in the name of payment of CGST, SGST, and furnished me false input. My lord, here when there is false input, my lord, kindly see, my lord, summons were issued to the informant. Informant, it is the informant's firm, my lord. So fake input, my lord, was made in the name of the informant's firm, my lord. Kindly consider that. And if it is, if you assume also, my lord, it has been done, my lord, then, my lord, that offense, my lord, that would fall under section 132(1)(f) of the CGST Act, my lord. And why I'm placing this? Because, my lord, if they have done it, my lord, they should have been made an accused in that case. They have to face the prosecution or the inquiry before the CGST officer in that case. They would be co-accused in that case, my lord, because there are
two employees, my lord, who have done it as per the FIR. So if you assume also that is done, my lord, that offense is 132 1F, my lord. I'll just read once, my lord. Whoever commits any act of the following offenses, namely D, my lord, collects any amount at tax, but I'm sorry, my lord, it will be F, my lord, I'm sorry. Falsifies or substitutes financial records or produces fake accounts, as in the instant case allegation, my lord, or documents, or furnishes any false information with an intention to evade payment of tax due under this act. So that offense, my lord, 132 1F, my lord, that is, my lord, a bailable offense, my lord. Because, my lord, here under the CGST Act, my lord, 132 1 and Roman
This
1,
plea was taken earlier in the Tamil case,
my lord.
Bitala cases, this plea was always taken.
Yes, my lord.
So let's see what we
My
have.
lord,
there.
that I'm placing, my lord, because even if you assume, my lord, he has done it, my lord, it may be offense under the CGST Act, which is a bailable offense. Because that act, my lord, only 132 F, lordship have possibly seen, my lord, that is non-bailable. And there, that is when it is violation of 132 1 A, B, C, and D, my lord, not F, my lord. So that is one ground, my lord, on merit, my lord. Now, my lord, thereafter, lord should find that in the second, my lord, column of the FIR, my lord, second para, there is allegation against another person, my lord, Rofik Bora. So Rofik Bora is the accountant, my lord. He has been granted the privilege of anticipatory bail. That order we have placed. That was possibly, that submission was made also at that point of time. But I'm reiterating that, my lord, because that Rofik Bora, there is specific allegations against him that the present petitioner, along with Rofik Bora, because the present petitioner is a tele operator and Rofik Bora was the accountant, my lord. So Rofik Bora already granted the privilege of anticipatory bail, my lord. That, my lord, order we have annexed, my lord, in our application, my lord. That lord should find at, my lord, page 24, my lord, and 25, my lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord, another allegation is that, my lord, that there was illegal, my lord, some bank transaction, my lord, from the account of the present informant to with the petitioner's bank. Now, kindly appreciate one aspect, my lord. Kindly see that he states that that was done from 1/1/2020 till 27/8/2024. That is, my lord, around 4 years, 8 months, my lord. So now kindly see, nowadays lordship knows, my lord, online payments and, my lord, messages come, my lord, all the time, my lord. Is it not improbable, my lord, that, my lord, he was not aware, my lord? The messages come and everyone checks their bank accounts, my lord, and they are businessmen, my lord. They will definitely be checking their bank accounts, my lord. And he says that for 4 and 8 months, 4 years and 8 months, he was not aware, my lord. That our case, it is absolutely improbable, my lord. Now, my lord, that is can't be digested. How can it be, my lord? How can he say that I was not aware, my lord? And why it was done, my lord? We have annexed document that would show that he has authorized us, my lord. And he has also opened another form in our name, my lord, name of the present petitioner, my lord. That document, my lord, we kindly see, my lord, once, my lord, page 20. That is the first his appointment letter, my lord. The petitioner, my lord. So he was appointed, my lord, and he is page 20, my lord, from 14th October 2019, my lord. So he was working diligently, my lord, sincerely, till the lodging of the present FIR, my lord. And now page 21, my lord, the informant had authorized him, my lord. And in fact, my lord, he was appointed as a subcontractor, my lord, by the present informant for supply of, my lord, those materials, my lord, cement, stone chips in his construction site, my lord. And, my lord, all bills were in the name of the present informant's farm, my lord. Page 21 and 22, one declaration, my lord, by the informant, my lord, that he would be using the bank account of the present petitioner, my lord. That is possibly clear, my lord. Page 22, kindly have a look once, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, now these things, my lord,
on the merit of the case, my lord. Now, my lord, this second application, phrase grounds, we have stated, my lord, in our application, my lord. That starts from, my lord, para 13, page 9, my lord. These are the phrase grounds, my lord. And
Page?
page 9, para 13, my onward, para 13, my lord. 9, my lord.
Page 9, para 13, yes, okay.
Yes, yes, my lord. And my lord, on humanitarian aspect, my lord, consideration, my lord, what happened, my lord? In the meantime, my lord, the petitioner's father, my lord, unfortunately, he died, my lord, recently, my lord. He died on 20, my lord, 25, 2025, my lord. We have filed one additional affidavit to that extent, my lord. Their lordship, page 32, para 2, my lord. And my lord, he is having his mother, my lord, that lumbar spondylitis and all, my lord, we have annexed documents. And he's having wife and one minor child, my lord. In para 4, para 2, page 32, we have annexed all those documents, my lord. My lord, we have made,
Page?
my lord, additional affidavit, page 32, my lord. Para 2.
Okay.
And the documents we have annexed, it starts from page 30, my lord, 36, my lord. Now, my lord, considering the fact that the co-accused already granted the privilege of antecedent bail, and my lord was pleased to reject it, around
Yeah, yes.
7-8 months back.
We're
my lord.
going to the CP.
Yes, yes, yes. But possibly this submission, whether it was made or not, my lord, I don't know, my lord. Because here CGST specific, and my lord,
I don't use submission of.
my lord, my lord. I leave it to lordship discretion, if possible, my lord, because custodial detention may not be required. And another aspect, my lord, they have incorporated the section, my lord, possibly that won't be attracted, my lord, because here, my lord, he is not a, my lord, government servant, or my lord, to attract the now, my lord, that provision of, my lord, 316(5), my lord, the earlier 409, my lord, because he is a private employee, my lord. At best, my lord, it may be offense under, my lord, 3164, my lord. That is, my lord, 7 years, and possibly, my lord, compounded and 318(4), that is cheating, my lord. So,
You
if,
have to be a government servant.
my lord, agent and, my lord,
409,
my lord, kindly have a look at that, my lord.
316.
Yes, 316(5), my lord. Here, my lord, 300, whoever being in any manner entrusted with property or with any dominion of a property in his capacity of a public servant, or in any way of his business as a banker, merchant, factor, broker, attorney, or agent. Now, my lord, kindly see 4, my lord. 4 would possibly serve, my lord, would be the section, my lord, if you assume the offense to be true also, my lord. Whoever being a clerk or a servant or employed as a clerk or servant, my lord. And that, my lord, that is, my lord, non-bailable, but 7 years, my lord. If it is 7 years, my lord, they could have, my lord, the 35 3 my lord, of the BNSS, they could
Is
have.
booked under section 316(5).
Yes, yes, my,
Okay.
my
All
lord,
right.
my lord. Kindly, my lord, on.
Yes, just check.
limited, yes, yes, my lord, my lord.
Yes, mark some, highlighted some.
Yes, yes, yes,
Just
yes.
check. Yes,
Lordship, will you see that Lordship and
yes, I've seen it.
certificate Lordship, that what he has done Lordship. So initially what Lordship, he is also an agent Lordship of the company Lordship. And he used to do the computer work in that as per the company. And Lordship, what happened Lordship, when the GST is to be paid, the ID is operated by him Lordship. And in that connection, his number has been given also Lordship. So that any message came, he received that message because it comes on in his mobile Lordship. Thereafter, as per the complaint statement Lordship, whenever our complaint asks, because he is paying it regularly, and whether it paid, yes, I have paid it. Because that message did not come to the complaint's mobile number Lordship. Thereafter also what happened, he has opened another firm.
that is Jyoti Enterprise. And he diverted all the money from GST amount to that amount, to that. And he has also done some fake input receipt for which he has done all these things. And by this way, Lordship, he has, as per the GST data, Lordship, he has misappropriated, almost he has misappropriated 13 crores 40 lakhs 18,356 rupees. So it's not a simple and nominal amount, Lordship. It's a huge amount. And so, Lordship, this is not only that, Lordship, he is doing that apart from the complaint itself only. Some other parts, because complaint has stated, Lordship, that he has, from the company part, he has stated 3 crores 84 lakhs rupees, Lordship, from the company's account. And some other from other sources also, he is doing all this misappropriation, Lordship. But also when there is a huge misappropriation of money and huge economic some transaction is doing, fake economic transaction are doing, Lordship, so he is not entitled for it. Because, Lordship, in the I have not also reveals that part, Lordship. I have taken my Lordship, I have not proceed.
Yes,
Complaint
I'll
also-
pass an order later.
Madam,
I'll go through
yes,
the.
And in that case, Lordship, I will like this one as well, license as well, Lordship. 80%. This is, Lordship, 2025 SCC online, SC 764, Lordship, where it is stated, Lordship, when there is a involvement of economic offense, Lordship, he should not be allowed to go on anticipatory bail, Lordship. It is specific, it is a Lordship,
Para? Okay, you
para
marked it.
18. All the cases are also discussed here, Lordship. Lordship, may kindly go through, Lordship,
Yes.
My lord,
because involvement is very, very huge, Lordship. This is not a simple amount. And Lordship, that regarding that issue, Lordship, that he's from since 4 years, he do not know. Because, Lordship, till that, Lordship, no notice was come to him. Whenever the notice came, he came to know, and he searched, it come into the light that Lordship, that amount has been misappropriated, and his number has been given, Lordship. And Lordship, regarding the person, one Rafiq has been enlarged on bail, Lordship, his involvement, this person involved is in something more than his. Because, Lordship, the Rafiq, regarding the as per city, Lordship, Rafiq has not transferred it to other this new account farm, Lordship. This person has opened this new farm, Lordship, Jyoti Enterprise, and all this money has been transferred to him. That is also illegal. That is also fake by giving some fake input, Lordship.
my lord, can I now kind of whatever he has submitted, my lord, that it is 3 crores, my lord. If you assume it is 3 crores, my lord, we have to be case
Not
specific, my lord.
13 crores.
But 13 crores different entities, my lord. Had any entity came before this, my lord, kindly have a look at the my lord, case
Yes,
diary.
yes. No,
My
no.
lord, there is no entity.
3 crores this entity.
Yes, exactly, my lord. If it is 3 crores, as per his own, my lord, statement, as per the case diary, my lord, it will be a bailable offense, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, if other entities are there, my lord, some fake inputs or fake, my lord, these documents and anything which involves, my lord, other fake entities, whether they have came before this honorable, my lord, before the investigating officer, or
See,
whether,
this was from the certified from the Office of the Commissioner, Central GST.
no,
Central
understood, my lord.
Excise.
Now,
And when the funds are in his
Yes.
possession and then misappropriated from his
Yes.
possession, then 316 or 31.
It's 18.
No, madam.
Come,
Why?
definitely
My lord,
come,
my lord, with all respect, I may be wrong, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. We have to be case specific, my lord. One murder is committed, then he has murdered several other people. Whether, my lord, it will be one case or it will be 10 cases. If there are 10 people had died, my lord, whether it will be one case. If here, my lord, kindly appreciate that. If he has defalcated, if he has done something wrong, my lord, so far GST is concerned, my lord, it is one entity before your lordship, my
No,
lord.
he was supposed to pay the taxes. He was in
Yes, sir.
possession of the funds and then he has
No,
misappropriated.
understood, my lord.
Then will there not be any offense under BNS?
Yes, my lord. Whether they have incorporated, my lord, that act, my lord. No, my lord.
No,
If-
won't there be any offense under BNS
My lord,
as a servant? Of
yes,
that
yes, sir.
fund?
That may be, my
Money was in your possession.
Yes,
to
yes,
pay
that-
taxes, but you did not.
yes,
pay
yes,
the
sir.
taxes and you
That may be 306,
misappropriated
that
the
may be
money.
316 for 7 years and lordship for 35, 341A can be given, my lord, now 35, 3. Kindly,
Not 5, not 3165.
My-
It'll be 3164.
exactly, my
five.
lord. 3165, it is 7 years, my lord. That's why, my lord. And kindly see, my lord, here, my lord, whether it is probable, my lord. So many crores amount, my lord. he transferred from his account to different account and the informant was unaware. And kindly
Certified from the GST.
understood, my lord, but my lord, but that is the crux, my lord. The informant, he is an accused, my lord. It is his firm, my lord. Kindly see, my lord. Kindly appreciate that, my lord. His own firm, my lord. And who does this, my lord?
Yes, yes, informant is also.
Yes,
liable.
Inform is not the accused because Lordship, no Azhar was lost by the GST, Lordship.
No, let me
Because he
finish.
had
No,
not-
no. How can it be, my lord? If it is an offense under GST,
Central GST notice.
yes, my lord. How can it be if it is
It's
of?
not there, Lordship, because they have not lost any Azhar against this person. Because of that, because he has immediately after coming to know about the facts, he has paid that amount, Lordship. Subsequently, thereafter, he has lost the FIR, Lordship.
Okay.
My lord, my lord, can you see? Once there is an offense, my lord. Once there is an offense, my lord, who would come into play, my lord? The GST Act would come into play. If the GST officer, they knew that there was defalcation, there was fake input, my lord. My lord, the informant, he tried to save himself. That's why he might have paid that amount. We are not on that, my lord. Here, case specific, and the allegation is that what, my lord, 3 crores, as per his own statement, my lord. If it is 3 crores, my lord, it is a bailable offense, my lord.
No.
Kindly see that aspect, because, my lord,
All right.
fake input, my lord, kindly reconsider that aspect, my lord. Fake input, my lord, it is specific, my lord. What is the section, my lord? That, my lord,
We'll go by the sections available in the
No, how
Azhar,
can
Lordship,
it be? No,
not the Azhar,
no,
what the petitioner will submit, Lordship.
No. Let it be clear, my lord. Is it the law, my lord? Whatever the investigating officer would put, my lord, that lordship is bound by that? No, my lord. How can it be, my lord? Lordship would go through the act, lordship would go through the section, lordship would go through the allegation and thereafter pass necessary order. And another aspect, my lord, on humanitarian angle, my lord, that his father died recently. Mother sick, my lord, all documents we have annexed, my lord. And if your lordship is not that inclined, my lord, let him be given the interim protection, my lord. Let him go before the IO. Let him place all these documents. And let Lordship may fix it on the reopening on 16th itself, my lord. And Lordship may reject. Let me finish. No, my friend, let me finish. This is not a Lordship. It is the discretion of the court. You submit before the court. So, my lord, absolutely, my lord, genuine prayer, my lord. Let him go before the IO, my lord, if possible. And whether they have went for cancellation of that other Rafiq, no, my lord. Rafiq is the accountant. With all respect, Lordship, see whole aspect, and if possible, kindly grant him interim at least. Let him go and give his statement, my lord, and thereafter.
I'll check.
Yes,
everything.
my lord.
Both-
Lordship
both
discretion,
sides
my lord,
are
I will
fair,
abide by
both
any
sides.
condition, Lordship. If your Lordship is rejecting also, we have nothing to say, my lord. But if possible, my lord, balance is there, my lord. If possible, kindly, my
I'll
lord.
check both sides. I'll
Yeah.
check Rafiq's order.
Yes, my
Then
lord.
I'll check the CD.
Yes.
Witness the
And
CD.
whatever, what
I
he
need some time.
Yeah, absolutely, my what is stated, my lord, that we will go by the section. No, my lord, that cannot be, my lord. I can insert everything. No, Lordship would appreciate that, my lord. Kindly, my lord.
Regarding Lordship, that humanitarian Lordship, my father died, mother is there. In every case, that will be come, that may come, Lordship. So, Lordship, that may not be a ground for seeking bail. And when there is a CD is available before you, Lordship, and there is no scope of again giving interim protection because we are not paying for time, Lordship. If we are paying for time, then Lordship, because CD is available before Lordship, materials are there, Lordship. The sufficient materials are against him, Lordship. Lordship will decide on the basis of that, Lordship.
You cannot circumscribe the power of this honorable
I am
court.
not
It is
sir,
the
I am
power of
submitting
this
the- I-
court.
I cannot-
How can
I
you say that he
sir,
cannot
sir.
pass?
I am submitting,
How
Lordship.
can you say?
I am submitting, Lordship.
How can you say this court cannot pass? This
What,
court has
Lordship?
got.
Whenever I am submitting, it is. I am not directing, Lordship.
No.
I am not
My
directing
lord-
before you, Lordship. I am just
Lordship-
submitting, Lordship, that because Lordship, his mother, he has taken some grounds, Lordship. 3-4 grounds he has taken. I have to reply on that ground, Lordship. First, he has taken the ground, Lordship, that is humanitarian. My submission is that may not be. I'm not saying that should not. I'm saying that may not be.
May not,
I'm
yes.
always saying
May not,
that
yeah,
may
that
not
is
be.
true.
That
If it is may not,
at the
it is
first
true.
time also,
No.
anniversary, it should.
Cannot. You said it cannot. There is no scope. How can there be no scope? Even in a bad.
I'm also saying that may not be because Lordship, humanitarian father died. Everything has been dear Lordship, mother is there. That may not be a ground, Lordship, because seeking bail. Thereafter, Lordship, he is seeking. He is submitting that Lordship. There is that sections is that that GST section is not incorporated. That is not the ground, Lordship, because Lordship, IO has as per the azhar of the complainant, who is the owner of the company, he has lost the company. Azhar, Lordship. So IO has rightly added the sections 316, 316.5 and 318.4. So Lord, these sections attracts misappropriation of money when there is a breach of trust. All these are, Lordship. So Lordship, these sections attract. So as per Azhar, Lordship, we will go. We will not go by the sections what it should be, what it would be. we will not go. So Lordship, at this stage, Lordship, and there also when there is a, he is also praying for anticipatory bail or interim protection. When I am submitting, when there is a CD is available, we are not pressing for time. We are not praying for time. Why that interim protection is required, Lordship? If Lordship will decide the issue, Lordship.
Humanitarian ground.
No, Lordship. What is that? My father died in 2025, 25, Lordship. Now all the rituals has over, Lordship. Today is 26. Today is the 1 month, Lordship. All rituals are over, Lordship. Then what is the humanitarian ground, Lordship? If on the next day, 30th, that because of the rituals he should be get paid, that is different, Lordship. But when 1 month, then after 4 months it will come. That
My lord,
Already.
my lord,
and thereafter, Lordship, I have also submitted that judgment, Lordship, that Lordship may kindly go through, Lordship.
my lord, in that case, I will also place 1 to judgment, my lord, before him, my lord.
Yes,
Regarding custody.
yes.
And here, my what I submit, it is a lordship absolutely discretion, my lord. And lordship was pleased to reject it when, my lord? Last year, December, my lord. Kindly consider whole aspect, my lord. And on humanitarian ground, my lord, somebody died, my lord. Now he is stating something else. I leave it to your lordship, my lord. Oblige me.
I'm sorry, madam. I will not have to call.
Oh, yes,
I will-
yes, it's okay.
But in this case, I have been told that it's out of same FIR, another case is madam already pending and listed on 27/6, madam. BA number 2060.
Okay. CD,
CD, just
Okay.
here also CD may be called and let it come along with that, my lord.
call for a CD.
On 27/6,
Is the matter on 27/6 along with BA number?
along with BA number 206025. And along with madam.
Yes,
And the CD
Yes.
may be called in this case also, madam.
yes, yes.
Obliged to. 27.
Yes, 27/6.
Please, your lordship. This is a case where I have been shown as an absconder and I had surrendered. I'm behind the bars for the last 156 days. The FIR, your lordship, will find at page 13. May I read, your lordship? Page 13.
So we had called for scan coverage, it is not before us now, but it's okay. You're behind bars for how many days?
156 days, your lordship. Considering the length of detention, I have surrendered myself. The trial is pending, your lordship.
I think scan copies are not required in this case. I'll just check it on concoidation. I'll just check the gravity of the offense.
Subsequently, on 4/4/2025, I again received a call demanding 10 lakhs. Out of fear, I arranged 50,000 rupees and delivered to the designated location and instructed by the caller. However, on 1/10/4/2025 at around 7 p.m., the same person called again and demanded another 50,000. Due to extreme fear, I managed 20,000 rupees and handed it over to the person on a roadside near Similaguri. Now, as I no longer bear this harassment, I can no longer bear the harassment. I am compelled to inform the police and request the informant into the matter. The person who collected the money used a motorcycle bearing registration number so and so. I have also managed to capture a photograph of the person collecting the money, which I am attaching here for your reference. Now, my lord, here I am for one of the accused, Saurav Roy, who has just turned 18 years old, my lord. Just he is class 11 student, just turned 18 years old. Now here, first thing, my lord, the kidnapping has not happened, my lord. It has not
Yes,
happened.
yes.
There was a call for extortion, and my lord, page number 27, my lord. My lord is a Caesar list, my lord, of Saurav Roy, one mobile handset of the accused Saurav Roy, one vehicle, Wagoner bearing so and so. My lord, I was coming from a relative's home when I was arrested, my lord. Now, in the next page, my lord, are the two accused, main accused who actually threatened, who actually called for extortion. From them, all this cash and this mobile number from where they called has been seized, my lord. And I am not involved here, my lord, in no way. Might be just an acquaintance, my lord, but in no way involved in this matter. And the forwarding report says red-handed caught. I was not arrested red-handed. These two accused persons were arrested red-handed, and the extorted money was recovered from them, not from me, my lord. With me was just the mobile phone and the Wagoner that
AB.
This is
No,
BA, my lord.
BA,
50 days, my lord.
Yes, what do you have?
50 days, my lord.
My lord, here,
LCR.
no, my lord, this is not
CD.
not succeeded, my lord.
Okay.
Here, my lord, there are 3 accused, my lord. One of them is this petitioner, my lord. They, my lord, as your lordship has gone for the FIR, my lord, Several times, my lord, threatening was
Yes.
given so that regarding my lord, if they cannot pay, my lord, they will kill them. In this way, my lord, and after that, she somehow managed some amount, my lord, and that was supposed to be given to their to the this other co-accused and petitioners, my lord. On that day, my lord, a trap was laid and they were caught red-handed, my lord. And my lord, here a visit Chakraborty and another was is also there, my lord. And statement, so far witness is concerned, statement on the 180, my lord. There, but the co-accused, my lord, they all have implicated that for the
He is
want of
also
money,
involved.
yes, for the want of money, they have done this and they have demanded the money and they have received the amount, my lord. So materials are there at this stage, my lord.
Okay, can be granted, I think. Under condition, under objection. I'll come back and pass the order. I'll come back and pass.
It
the
is a
order.
90 days offense, my lord,
Yes,
pointing out there.
yes.
Great.
Council Mr. A.W. Aman, the petitioner. Saurabh Roy, who has filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as is behind bars since 7/5/2025 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so section. Mr. M.P. Goswami, Learner, Edition, PP, Assam. Who has raised serious objections stating that the petitioner is deeply involved in extortion of ransom with threats of kidnapping the victim. Full stop. The FIR unfolds that on 1/4/2025, the informant received a call on his mobile phone demanding from a caller demanding rupees 5 lakhs as ransom with threats to harm the informant's son, Sayun Hussain Khan, who subsequently on 4/4/2025, the ransom was reduced to rupees 10 lakhs, and finally the informant somehow managed to arrange rupees 50,000 to pay as a ransom. However, on 10/4/2025 at around 7 p.m., the same person called again and demanded rupees 50,000, but the informant, however, managed to pay rupees 20,000. Finally, unable to endure the threats, the informant lodged an FIR. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the victim was not kidnapped, and thus this case cannot be a case of kidnapping for ransom. It is further submitted that the actual accused persons were already arrested in connection with this case, and the cash extorted as ransom was already recovered from their possession. Full stop. The present petitioner is not involved in this case, except for the fact that a mobile phone has been recovered from his possession, and the vehicle bearing registration number AS16M6344 was recovered from his possession. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. Case diary, no?
The case diary is there, madam. Case
Yes,
diary
so
reveals,
put
my
as
lord,
the case diary.
he has given the phone number of the victim, my lord, because he is acquainted with the victim because he works in the shop of the victim, my lord. So he is the main person, my lord.
there are indeed incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioner. The learned national PP has further submitted that the petitioner is the mastermind because he was working in the victim's shop. And he had orchestrated the entire crime. Entire offense. I have considered the length of detention. Full stop. I have also considered the progress of investigation, which has progressed substantially. It appears that further custodial detention may not be required. I have considered the submission that the petitioner is willing to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. Considering all aspects, the petitioner is allowed on bail of rupees 50,000 with a suitable security of like amount to the satisfaction of the
Gusaigaon SDGM.
SDGM Gusaigaon under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number two, the petitioner shall appear for the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation, and the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner, send back the CD.
Grateful, madam.
Item 16.
Please, your lordship. The 43 VNSS application was 70 days in custody, lordship. That matter is suicide, lordship. FIR, your lordship, when it pays 12, lordship.
Page FIR.
Page 12, lordship.
Okay.
Postmortem report and case diary is there, lordship.
What do you have?
The case there is there, madam, but as per earlier order, madam, FSL, since the cause of death is not conclusive, so FSL report is called for, that is not received. If my learned want to wait, then he can wait, but if you want to do that, then as per merit, I have to submit, madam.
70 days in custody,
Because,
lordship.
70 days may not be taken into account because there are sufficient materials are there against this petitioner.
Lordship, the postmortem report is there, lordship.
Yes,
And the police has seized the rope, lordship, where that's where the girl, the deceased girl has hanged, lordship. That
So
rope
we
is
will
also.
go by the merits.
This
In case, if you go by the merits, it goes against you, please don't ask for further.
That's true,
adjournment.
but lordship, that abatement of suicide may be there, lordship, in the case, lordship. So for, I have, abatement of suicide is a 60 days mandatory, lordship. I have seen, lordship.
That is what
Abatement
suicide is not conclusive from the postmortem report.
There's on suspicion, lordship. There is
That
no
is
any
what I-
specific eyewitness, lordship. On suspicion, they are in a custody, lordship. On a
So we'll go
suspicion.
by the merits then.
Any hanging is
And
not
moreover, lordship, the petitioner of two, she has petitioner 1 and 2, lordship. They have a 6-year-old child, lordship.
Okay,
I have
we'll
not
go by
any-
the merits. Okay. This what do you have, please?
Madam, here my lord, PM says, my lord, there is litigation mark in the neck, my lord, but it is not as per the my lord suicide, my lord. It's not suicide, my lord. So therefore, my lord, and there are also injuries in the my lord near the rope, my lord. The case is that, my lord, there is my lord suspicion that these three petitioners, my lord, have killed the my lord victim, and thereafter, my lord, she was hanged by the rope, my lord.
Lordship, petition number
There-
1 is own father, lordship.
there-
Petition number 1 is own father, lordship.
And to that effect, my lord, there are also injuries are there in the body of the victim, my lord. And the other witnesses, so far, my lord, they have stated, my lord, they all have, my lord, given their statements, my lord. They stated that there is strong suspicion that this, my lord, she is the
Daughter.
stepdaughter of their married stepdaughter of the mother, the wife, my lord.
Petitioner
And,
number 2.
Yes, President White and others. And there is strong suspicion that they have killed the lady and therefore she was hanged. That is what the witnesses are there. That is one point. And secondly, my lord, Lossi may come to the forwarding of petitioner number 3, my lord. The forwarding, my last, my lord, 14, page 14, or Lossi may kindly see, my lord. The forwarding. Last page, Lossi, page 14.
Hmm.
The below part, my lord, Sri Potul Setia, and left the dead body of the deceased in the courtyard of the house of the accused, Horen Setia. Mentioned that accused Horen Setia was previously at jail for 15 years in offense of murder in the deceased murder.
There
After
is the
being
grass.
released from jail, accused Horen Setia, Pulin Setia to kill his daughter, late Muhi Setia.
There is the grass lawsuit. 15 years back lawsuit on murder was, he was convicted lawsuit. And that is the grass lawsuit, this present affair was lost lawsuit. And earlier lawsuit, this deceased girl lawsuit tried to commit suicide for 2 times lawsuit. The prisoner number 1 has said for both the time lawsuit. The
Well,
case is
he-
also there lawsuit.
He,
2 times
he is
lawsuit, she
he
tried
is
to.
the accused, my lord. So suspicion is that, man, he has done the same
No,
similar
only
act now,
because
my
lawsuit,
lord.
only because
Similar
lawsuit, the
act
15
now.
years back lawsuit. Only because 15 years back lawsuit, the deceased girl's murder was
He's a
killed by
habitual-
the prisoner number 3 lawsuit. There is the grass, the present affair was lost lawsuit. There is the grass.
He is a habitual.
And more
But
lawsuit.
this is already dead.
He is a
No,
habitual
yes.
person.
No, lawsuit. He has just came out from the jail lawsuit on 15 days.
Informant, uncle of
No,
deceased.
maternal uncle lawsuit. Maternal uncle lawsuit. And lawsuit that this deceased girl was tried to commit suicide for 2 times earlier lawsuit, and the petitioner was number 1 has saved lawsuit.
Lordship, may kindly see the PM report.
Otherwise, lawsuit, the amendment may be there. Lawsuit is there 60 days period lawsuit.
Below the litigation mark, my lord, some observations are there. Because there are cut injuries in the, my lord, medic.
Mm. This is not suicide.
This is not suicide.
No, lawsuit is a suicide.
Read out the awkward, yeah. I'll read
Lawsuit-
out the injury
lawsuit-
and bars since 16/4/2025 and 18/4/2025 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Part Mr. MP Usami London additional PP Assam, who has raised serious objections stating that they are incriminating materials in the case diary against the petitioners. The statements of the witnesses clearly implicates that all the petitioners are complicit despite the fact that the petitioner number 1 is the father of the deceased minor victim. The learned counsel for the petitioners has submitted that the petitioners are behind bars on suspicion. All the family members have been named in the FIR, and this is a case of suicide and not a case of homicide. Full stop. It is submitted that the victim attempted to commit suicide not once but on several occasions, and finally the victim was successful in ending her. Victim could not once but on several occasions. Full stop. It is further submitted on behalf of the petitioner number 1 that it is not plausible that a father would kill his own minor daughter. On the contrary, the learned additional PP has submitted that although the postmortem report was not conclusive and viscera has been sent for chemical analysis, yet several injuries were detected by the medical officer on the victim's legs and on her throat, which clearly indicates that the victim has been killed, and this is not a case of suicide. I have considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. I have also scrutinized the case diary. It is true that the postmortem report is not conclusive. Incriminating materials in the case diary लिखला है क्या?
Lawsuit may kept for the pending for other 2 case person for the FSL lawsuit.
See, I told you, you kept on submitting and then you have kept on wasting the time also.
No, lawsuit, 1 person may be.
No, this is not correct.
Not lawsuit. Oh, I'm leave it. No.
You insisted, no?
Lawsuit.
Since I went through the.
I'm leave the lawsuit.
I have considered the age of the petitioner number 1. The petitioner number 1 is 43 years old, a middle-aged man. And I have also considered his length of detention. What else did you submit? I've forgotten. I've noted only a few points. What else did you submit? You have stated something,
Regarding my,
anything else in the CD? I've forgotten.
CD, my lord, the witnesses and also my medical report regarding
Yes.
ligature mark.
anything else?
Yes, and injuries in the, my lord.
Yes, yes.
body.
Nothing more.
And the witnesses.
Okay, yes, now I remember. It is further submitted that the petitioner number 3 had served his sentence for eliminating the victim's mother.
No.
And after he was out on bail, this unfortunate incident took place, full stop. It is submitted last sentence to say it is further submitted by the learner addition PP. Head agor additional PP got add by sentence to. In view of my foregoing discussions, the petition with prayer for bail of petitioner number 2 and 3 is rejected at this stage. However, the petitioner number 1 is enlarged on bail of rupees 50,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority and to the satisfaction of the who will be the court, which court?
CGM Dhemaji Lordship.
The satisfaction of the CGM Dhemaji under the condition that the petitioner shall cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. And the petitioner shall not exercise threats to the witnesses. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to immediately cancel the bail granted to the petitioner. Send back the CD. Our 6-year-old daughter আছে বুলি লিখিলা নেকি বাৰু? Murder of a 6-year-old daughter, petition number 2. It is also submitted on behalf of the petition number 2. That the petitioner that she is the mother of a 6-year-old daughter.
May I please your lordship? The offense is 22C read with 29. I am behind bars since 1 year and 10 months. Nothing has been, as per the, I am not an FIR name accused. They conduct a raid in some place. They find something, some contraband. And as per his statement, I am arrested. I am behind bars. I was also
As
given.
per co-accused statement.
Yeah. Which is inadmissible in law. Tofan Singh, there's a recent judgment by Justice Padiwala as well. I was released, your lordship, by your lordship's order.
Then what happened?
I was given an interim bail on 6/9/2024 with the direction that I must surrender before the court, before the learned trial code on 5/10/2024. I complied with it. I surrendered. The order is at page 51.
You were given interim protection for?
For medical grounds, my lords. Hepatitis C virus, my lords.
Order page?
51. That is of my surrender order.
My order.
Yes. Your lordship's order is at page 54, your lordship, sorry. And subsequently, page 59 is my order of the order of the learned trial code of my surrender. Subsequently, your lordship, the main accused, on whose statement I have been arrested and from whose this alleged and contraband has been found, he has been granted bail. That is at page 60.
You say what is the contraband?
Contraband is at page 47. It's some tablets.
Yaba tablets.
Not Yaba tablets. It's codeine phosphate.
Page 50?
47.
Codeine is cough syrup.
Yes, cough syrup, and there are also some tablets.
Page 47.
Yeah. Stevens plus capsule. There are certain amounts of. Now let's.
Any witnesses examined?
Yes.
Nitrazepam tablets.
9 witnesses have been examined out of 13. I am a poor person. I am the only bread earner of my family. I have been behind bars for one month. My trial has been conducted in the trial court by the DLSA. That's the level of my poverty, my lords. All my source of income has gone away. My mother is working as a maid in someone else's house. allow me to be on bail, allow me to reconstruct my life. There is nothing against me. Main accused has been given bail. And I am at your lordship's mercy.
Yes.
And he's very poor, but he can engage in high court, man. But then yeah, that is one part, man.
And I myself have
Again,
surrendered before your
okay.
lordship.
My lord, here, my lord, 9 witness already examined, my lord. So regarding long interpretation, there is, because my trial has been proceeding, my lord. So now, my lord, only 4 witnesses
Do
are
you have a
here.
medical report?
4.
Medical report, I at the moment I haven't annexed it in there. But at that time, your lordship has recorded my statement.
After 2 months. Treatment after 2 months.
After 1 month, my lord. And your lordship had also, at that point of time, your lordship had also called for medical document from the jail authorities.
It has not come.
No,
Regarding medical.
not in this case, well, earlier when your lordship granted me interim bail, that is at page 51, your lordship.
So after going to the medical report, I have granted bail.
Yes.
Now you still have any medical condition?
As for my instruction, I am not aware. But your lordship, main accused has been given bail. There is nothing against me. 9 has been examined. Even the Caesar list has been disproved. In 2 Caesar lists, they say that the Caesar was signed in a blank paper, which itself clears malified intention. There's a judgment by the Honorable Supreme Court. Your lordship is well aware. So there has
But
to be.
I'll not go into the merits
Yes.
of Caesar witnesses.
Give me a
Maybe
long
merits of the other witnesses.
detention. See my bona fideness. Your lordship gave me bail and I signed it before the trial court. Look, my all life has gone away. The person from whose it was all recovered, he has been given bail. Let's have some empathy, have some mercy, my lords. That's all. I think because I have a strong point in law and also in
Grounds of arrest.
Huh?
What else do you have? Grounds of arrest.
Yes, grounds of arrest as well. Section 50, no compliance. Section 42, NDPS, no compliance.
Is it before or after Pravi Bansal?
Before Pavilions. But that, well,
See, now you do not have a ground. You get a medical, will get a medical report from the jail. Okay.
on that same ground, main accused has been given bail.
On medical ground?
On medical, not medical ground, on section 50. And he was arrested prior to me. And if your lordship takes a different view, your lordship benefit has to be given to me.
But now we are apprised of the Pankaj Bansal case. So there's
No, my Pankaj Bansal applies retrospectively. Section Article 22, you cannot say that before Pankaj Bansal there was no Article 22 and after Pankaj Bansal there was Article 22. It's something which is enshrined in Article 20.
Yeah, it was there, but it could be.
And my allegation is not
verbally, conveyed.
Yes, sir.
Not written.
But how? They have to
Now
file
it-
affidavit. The burden is again on them to prove it.
No, but section 50, they are conveying it in written also.
No, they have not conveyed. In my case, they haven't told me, they haven't conveyed me. And once I take that plea,
Let us
it is
take
on the
it then. Section 50.
Yes, your lordship. The burden is on the prosecution, and they cannot just say instruct to the court. They have to file affidavit. It's very the court has taken that view. In Bihan Kumar, it is there, your lordship.
Yes.
And your lordship, all of it applies
You have
prospectively.
Section 50 notification.
All of it.
Meanwhile, let me call for a medical report.
My medical reports, it won't come anything. I'm right now.
He's cured.
I'm 1 year, 10 months. All my life has gone away. In pure, there has to be something. Tomorrow, any Tom, Dick, and Harry will say that so and so, that that so and so is accused. But there is nothing. There has to be some material in the charge sheet. 9 of 9 witnesses said nothing against me. Something at least. We can't let criminal law be at such a loose end. It has to be strictly construed, and this is NDPS. Vijay Madan Lal Chaudhary also says that, which is on PMLA.
Okay, please check the grounds of arrest.
Check my notes.
So we'll have to boil down to certain points. You cannot quote all the judgments which are taken up for appeal. You take the judgments for bail.
I'm sorry, Manoj. I don't.
I'm saying that we will have to boil down for a few points, boil down to a few points. You cannot quote all the judgments which are taken up in appeal. You can quote judgments which
I'm
are
only relying those
relevant
judgments
to bail.
in which
only
bail, only bail related, your lordship.
Tufan Singh,
Tufan Singh?
you are quoting Tufan Singh also.
Yes.
Only 3-4 points. According to me, you don't have any ground now.
Long detention, my lords. It's not that I don't have a ground, it's that the prosecution doesn't have a ground. That is something that your lordship has to go through. What is against me? Tell me, what is against me? Just because some random Tom, Dick, and Harry, that cannot be. Criminal law has to be construed. It's about a person's liberty. I'm sorry, but that's why I'm really getting a little passionate, perhaps. But
Even we also want to give relief to anybody we can.
yes, your lordship. I
But
understand.
when we cannot, then we won't.
Yes, I understand, your lordship.
All has to be in black and white. Not in emotion and
It's black
empathy.
and white, that's-
Not in empathy.
because here,
Everything has to be in black and white.
because
Empathy is required, but not in cases.
there's nothing. There's nothing. Had there been anything, I wouldn't have
Maybe
made.
term of punishment, duration of punishment, but not in bail.
In the long of detention, I mean length of detention. And tomorrow, if I am released, will I be able to construe my life again? Will I able to reconstruct my life again? That is also something. Look at my age.
How old are you?
25. There's life ahead of me.
You're behind bars for 1 year, 10 months.
1 year, 10 months, almost.
I came across a case, the 18-year-old boy behind bars for 6 years,
Unfortunate.
convicted for carrying ganja,
Unfortunate. Unfortunate.
convicted for 10 years for carrying ganja. How can it be unfortunate? Carrying 2
It's
trucks
a
of
life that is
ganja.
gone by. It is a life that is gone by.
Yeah, carrying 2 trucks of ganja,
That-
distributing to the
that
young kids who are taking weed.
it's unfortunate, man. Your lordship, we can always only just say that how unfortunate that is.
If you are still suffering from any ailment, then we can call for a medical report. Huh?
Let's medical report. After vacation, it will again take some time. It's not. He's not actually.
See, if not a single witness was, if
There is nothing against me.
9 witnesses have been examined, out of
None of them has said anything
only
against me.
4 witnesses are yet to be examined.
Yes.
Yes. So, my lord, if we, my lord, at least they
What
are.
to do? We'll call for a medical report now.
That your lordship may decide, but let me just. Well, if there is anything, there has to be
I
something.
can,
But there has to be something.
I cannot see any ground to grant you bail now. Cannot.
On the contrary, I don't see anything on the charge sheet. Your lordship may also see on the other side also. Both the side has to be weighted. Here,
Where were you?
Let's
when
assume
was
that I don't
passing,
have anything.
all these orders. Where were you? I was passing all these orders.
I
I was granting bail to a person who has killed his own daughter.
I saw your lordship.
Then you are.
That is
talking
why
about
that was I
empathy
was
to me,
hopeful that your lordship will pass me.
who has allegedly killed his own daughter. Not killed.
In my case, there is no allegation. The allegation itself is inadmissible in the law.
We'll call for a report, medical report.
You may decide. Can I say?
Call for a report regarding to the health of the relating to the health of the petitioner from the jail authorities. Who is the jail?
Dhubri jail.
From the jail authorities of Dhubri jail. List the matter on immediately after vacation.
No, man, don't give it. I'll try my leg at the vacation bench. Let me allow.
Okay. On or before. Then you can try before vacation then. On or before 14 July.
Much obliged.
But in case I am in the bench, don't come before me.
Perhaps your lordship may be some more merciful at that point of time. Who knows?
No. You change the bench.
Much obliged, your lord.
I am paid. Item 29. Item 29. CD करना असली CD asani?
The CD not received, but they are an interim.
CD has called for is not received, issue reminder. No, very person, petitioner is not represented. CD has called for is not received. For the interest of justice, issue reminder. I'll not continue the interim date.
Yes.
Petitioner is not represented.
Lordship.
Please, Lordship. My lord, the petitioner and informants, all are family members also. The informant has filed this, lost this case against brother, mother, brother, uncle, etc. Lordship. Lordship, may kindly see. Petitioner number 1 is the brother of the informant. Petitioner number 2 is the cousin brother. 3 is sister-in-law. 4 is aunt. 5 is mother. And 6 is uncle, Lordship. And 1 and 2 are arrested, Lordship. Petition number 1 and 2, brother and cousin brother are arrested. 3, 4, and 5 are on interim protection. 6 is not on interim, Lordship. He is the uncle, Lordship.
5 on interim protection.
Lordship.
1 and 2?
1 and 2 arrested.
Okay.
I am not pressing for them. And
Okay.
6 is uncle who is not on interim, Lordship.
Where is the FI?
FIR, Lordship, may kindly see page 9, Lordship.
Okay, okay. Assault case.
Lordship.
My lord, here on the last occasion, my lord, that is what I have found is my lord, medical report, my lord, that was called for, my lord. We have not received the medical report, my lord, but there is an entry in the city, that is that they have prayed for the IO, prayed for the medical report, but eyewitnesses are there, my lord, which implicated all the, my lord, victims. Whether my lord may fix another day, till then, my lord, we can go for the medical, or my lord may kindly peruse the same.
What to do? You say, you suggest.
Lordship,
If the injury
Eyewitnesses there,
is some head, I won't grant.
clearly implicated.
3, 4, and injury of what nature? That has to be seen, Lordship.
Hmm?
Injury of what nature, whether it is grievous or simple,
If
that
grievous
has.
on head, I won't grant bail. Head injury is grievous in nature, I won't grant bail.
I am submitting.
Then let us wait for the medical report.
Lordship.
Huh?
Lordship. Lordship, 6 may be given interim protection because.
My lord, clear
last 2
implication,
Why,
eyewitnesses
why
there,
was
my
not
lord.
given interim protection and,
Because those have been given, my lord, interim
Initially,
protection, because those all are the female members, my lord.
Yes, Lordship.
Because of that, my lord, on that ground, my lord, the interim protection was granted, my lord.
Last
Earlier
2
occasion.
occasions, CD and report is not received, Lordship.
Because in the vernacular, it is very clear, my lord, that is the শৰীৰৰ বিভিন্ন ঠাইত জখম কৰাৰ উপৰিও মোৰ মূৰত মাৰি ৰক্তাক্ত গুৰুতৰ জখম কৰে. Let the medical report come, my lord.
Is the son.
extend the interim order
Lordship.
for the other 3. CD is received without the medical report, send back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD along with the medical report. List the matter on vacation officer. 18 July, meanwhile, interim order granted to petitioner number 3,
3, 4, and 5.
3, 4, and 5 is extended till the next date of listing.
Deeply obliged.
Item 32 and 33.
My lord, in this matter, CD not received, my lord. Item 32 and 33, na, together.
32, 32, but one problem is there, madam, because item 32, initially 8 petitioners. There are 8 petitioners. There are 9 petitioners in item number 32. And according to CD was called for. Then what about, my lord?
We'll need the CD.
No, no, ma'am, come to, I'm not seeing any entry protection. The subsequent event, the 2 petitioners out of that 9 petitioners, during the pendency of this interest bail application, they again find separately another interest bail application. That is item number 33.
It's okay.
Is appearing, my lord, in item number
It's
33.
okay. We'll call for the CD. CD is not with us. And then,
But you know, there is a difficulty here. So regarding the same accused, 2 bail petitions are pending. So we are with
how many petitions are pending?
2 bail petitions on the
yes.
same FIR, same accused, they have filed 2 bail petitions. Out of the 8 accused, 3 has approached us. So today, while going through the record, we came to know that already a bail petition has been pending. So on inquiring with the client, came to know that they had not approached any other advocate for the case. But the other co-accused has obtained their signatures in their wakalat number, so they had no knowledge that this case was pending. So if your lordship direct and anyone can withdraw the petition, but
Yeah, somebody has to withdraw
But in this
because
case,
this
we
is
are-
against the.
Yes.
Then my lord,
Rules.
there are two petitioners from this. So the two name may be stuck off.
Two are in interim, already in interim. So three, we are for the three
So
of
the
the
two
accused.
who are in interim, then we will not strike off.
So from this item number 32.
32, 3 may be strike off.
20 item, this number 20 না? ঠিক আছে, এটা থাকো। আর আপনার দুজন কি
So according to you, they were not aware.
They were not aware about this bail petition being pending.
Okay. Who are they?
It's number 2 and 3, no? 2 and 2.
In item number 32, petitioner number 3, 6 and 8.
Hard learner counsel, Mr.
In FIR, accused number 2 and 3.
3, 6 and 8, no?
3, 6 and 8 in item number 30.
Okay. 3,
6
6, 8.
and 8.
Hard learner counsel, Mr. FKR
Name this.
Ahmed, who has submitted that the petitioner number 3, নামটো লিখি দিবা 6 and 8 নামখিনি লিখি দিবা have filed another bail petition pending which is pending before this court being AB number 1144 of 2025 and their name may be struck off. The names of the petition number 3, 6 and 8 is hereby struck off. Serious call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on 31st July. Heard Mr.
H. Agarwal.
H. Agarwal, learned counsel for the petitioners who has submitted that the petitioners have filed this bail petition without any knowledge that another bail petition has been filed against another pre-arrest bail petition has been filed for them, which has been registered as AB number 1070 of 2025. Full stop. Heard Mr. K. Bosho, learned additional PP Assam. CDS call for is not received. Issue reminder, list the matter on 20. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
In regard to only petitioner number 1 and 2, item number 30.
Interim bail of petitioner number 1 and 2 is extended last sentence till the next date of listing.
Lordship, may kindly report one thing because on the last 2 occasions CD was called for, so it has not been received. 3 is not on interim. May kindly.
You want a shorter date?
Shorter 16.
16 করিব পারি 16.
DPO.
I can take up one more matter. Item 34.
Back, Your Lordship. Yes, there was call for, I'm on interim bail. Probably in this case, my lord, search sheet is submitted. I have already received the summon also.
My lord, item number 34, my lord, CD we have received, my lord. But my lord, there is a, my lord, that is a 34, my lord, Gwalpara.
No.
34 is my number.
Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Your lordship, I am on a interim lordship. And FIR is on page number 14, lordship. The allegation is under section 318, subsection 4 and 336 of subsection 3, lordship.
The petitioner has appeared before the IO and statement has been recorded. Full stop. Learned additional PP Mr. K. Bosho has submitted that the petitioner's statement is not found in the record and the IO has also forwarded a report stating that the petitioner is not cooperating with the investigation. The petitioner is directed to appear before the IO in compliance of the order of this court dated 16/5/2025 and 9/6/2025 and cooperate with the investigation. Send back the CD, call for the updated CD. List the matter on after 23rd July.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. Here, my lord, today morning, my lord, I have mentioned a matter for unlisted, my lord. And that was, my lord, already come, my lord. The connected matter, item 20, my lord, already taken up, my lord, and bail was granted, my lord. I am on the same footing with my lord, item 20, my lord. CD was there, my lord.
See, I'll come after 2. I will continue till the evening if you can stay back.
Lordship.
After 2, after the DB, I will come and then I will
Lordship.
continue and finish the list.
Lordship, my lord. I'll be there.
I'll finish all the list.
Lord.
Admission also.
I'll be there, my lord.
Obliged.
Even if time does not permit, I will shall remain in force till then.
23rd July.
Can it be, my lord, 18?
Of course.
18.
Customer ready. তাতে মানে হিয়াৰিং আছে বুলি মানুহবোৰ অহা নাই actually.
CD not received, my lord. There is interim lordship.
Serious call for is not received issue reminder list the matter on interim order shall remain in force till then.
Hello. CD not received, my lord.
Are you an interim bail?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Serious call for is not received, same order. Date to release.
May it please your lordship.
39 and 64 is the same.
Yes, my lord, both may be taken up together.
Yes, yes, can be taken up together. Thirty-nine or 64. You have the CD?
Yes, yes, there is.
My lord, this item 39 is a 482 petition, my lord, anticipated bail, and the petitioner, he is an interim, and as per direction of this honorable court, he has appeared and given his statement, my lord. My
What
lord,
is the FIR?
my lord,
FIR?
FIR, my lord, is at page 10, my lord.
Okay.
Now, my lord, this allegation is that in the year 2022, this petitioner has forcefully established physical relationship with the
By the informant against the driver and the owner of the vehicle, and the present petitioner, he only provided the information of the vehicle and as well as the lordship, the contact number and driver and also the owner of the vehicle, lordship. And he also contacted that informant to provide that vehicle. Accordingly, he provided. Subsequently, lordship, when the vehicle was loaded on 29th from lordship Gauripur, and subsequently, lordship, the contact number of the driver as well as the owner that become unreachable, and subsequently, lordship, at the instance of the present petitioner, which has been recovered at Borpeta, and he went to the Borpeta police station, and subsequently that has been identified by the informant that that was their goods and accordingly recovered.
Vehicle
Subsequently
goods have been recovered.
recovered. That's it. It is already admitted.
Can be
My lord.
made absolute, no?
My lord, here after interim years appears statement. record.
Appeared.
Or learned counsel, Mr.
D. Sharma,
D.
Deba Sharma.
D. Sharma for the petitioner, number Subhajyoti Kolta, who has filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for PS bill as is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case after so and so seconds. Third, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP Assam, order dated 10/6/2025, paragraph 3, paragraph 4, paragraph 5, paragraph 6, 7, 8, paragraph 9, 10, 11. I have scrutinized the case therein. I have also considered the submissions at the bar. The petitioners appeared before the IO and has cooperated with the investigation. The petitioner has not violated any bail condition. In view of my foregoing discussions, the interim order dated 10/6/2025 is hereby made absolute under the same terms and conditions. Send back the CD.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, you have the CD?
Yes,
Fine.
Mr. Lordship, para 5, para 7, Lordship, kindly, para 7, page 5, Lordship.
Para
What
7,
happened in
page
this
5.
case, Lordship is that petitioner number 1 and petitioner number 2 was not at the time when the offense was Lordship. Petitioner number 1, Lordship, was on a meeting with one Tajuddin Karim and Zaki Hussain at Lordship Parichalona Committee and Lordship petition number 2, he's on GMC Her Lordship because his father was admitted.
Where is the FI?
Yes, Lordship. FI is on page number 15. Page 15, Lordship, and answer 1.
What do you have?
Well, so far, my evidence is come from 183 minus it specifically mentioned regarding the rape incident of rape matter. And also there is a statement of one arrested accused matter. He also supports the case of the victim matter.
Hmm?
He also supports the case of the victim matter.
Co-accused.
Yes,
Arrested accused.
yes. Lost me kindly.
Yes.
183 and my lord, another accused. I have flag mark matter.
Lordship, maybe the other witnesses' statement was reported. I'm not aware, Lordship, whether the statement of Tajuddin Karim or Zakir Hussain is there or not. I'm not aware.
Yeah, Lordship's order at page 19, 18 and 19. Perhaps
My
this is a-
earlier order.
Yeah, perhaps this is the third time. Page 20 or Lordship may find. Regular bill given.
Yeah, this is AB.
This is AB, madam. Ilipur, yes, by class. Given.
Okay, rejected.
Lordship, medical report may be for Lordship. Because medical report
We
is
have the medical
important.
report.
Yeah, madam.
We have rejected. Third learner council miss. What is your name?
K. Malakar, Lordship.
K. Malaka for the petitioner, Ziaur Rahman and Nurjaman Haq who have filed this application under section petitioners day. For 82 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as they are apprehending arrest in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. But Mr. MP Goswami learned additional PP. The allegation against the petitioners is that they have committed gang rape on the victim X. CD, call for the up-to-date CD, list the matter on. Interim order shall remain in force till then.
Published.
May I please? My lord, lordship, here lordship will find, my lord, the FIR at case 9.
Charge sheet submitted, well.
It is a cross case against us. Lordship kindly see, page 9 is the FIR.
Subsidy submitted, we will need you'll approve the trial court or we will need the scan copies.
Lord,
At least the CD we will need, charge sheet is submitted. You'll approach the trial court.
and on
Whenever
appearance,
someone is issued, you go and approach.
yes, my lord,
Uh,
until then some protection
no,
may be
no.
given. Since it is a, my lord,
Charge sheet is submitted, how can I
it
get?
is a counter case, my lord. It is a counter
No, no.
case.
I'll not go into all those details. Others there are two ways out. The better way is you wait for a summons, then you come.
And my lord, let it be closed, my lord, with the direction, we will appear before the Lord court below
Yes,
for regular
yes.
bail, my lord.
Yes,
And
whenever
on,
you feel like,
yes,
that's what
and,
I'm saying.
and any petition is filed before this, my lord, trial court, my lord, that may be considered in accordance with law.
Yes, yes.
That.
Current counsel, Mr. Amy Mondal is present for the petitioners. Election PP, Mr. P. Potago has submitted that Sasir has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
79/25, dated 23/5/25.
The petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court, stroke Elaka magistrate and apply for bail, which will be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Yes, that's 34.
You don't rush, you wait till the summons comes.
Well,
I've given you the liberty
oblige,
to apply for bail.
Please, your lordship. 482 bail application, lordship. For granting pre-arrest bail to the petitioners.
You have the CD, you know?
CD is there, madam. My lord, without opening the CD, my lord, it's a very brutal murder. There are several altogether regarding 29 injuries, my lord. And also there are eyewitness and there are 183 statement is there of the eyewitness, my lord.
Anticipatory bail.
Anticipatory bail.
Lordship, there are two FIR, lordship. If lordship peruse the earlier order, lordship.
No, I'll not go to the two FIR. I'll go to the FIR against you.
No, lordship, both the FIR was called for, lordship. Both the case diary was called for. One. আগুৱাই যোৱাত আসামীগণে নজৰুলক মাৰপিট কৰি ভৰি ভাঙি দিয়ে আৰু গুৰুতৰভাৱে জখম কৰে। মই চিঞৰ বাখৰ হাল্লা চিল্লা শুনা পাই মোৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা ওলাই আগুৱাই যোৱাত আসামী তালেপে মোক ধাক্কা মৰাত মোৰ ৱালত খুন্দা লাগে ফলত মই গুৰুতৰভাৱে জখম পাওঁ। This is the FIR is lodged by the mother of the deceased and all the petitioners are brother and sister of the deceased.
Lordship. So their two FIR are contradictory to each other, Lordship. That's why both the FIR, both the case diary was called for, Lordship. And another page number 25 and 26, kindly see, Lordship. Kindly come to page 25, 26, Lordship. I have annexed a screenshot, a photocopy screenshot of the CCTV footage, Lordship, wherein the time is recorded as 7:57. And in this footage, the informant of the case, which is against me, she clearly can be seen in that screenshot, and the time was about 8, that is 7:57.14 p.m. And the FIR which is against me, she alleged that the FIR, the occurrence took place at about 8 p.m. Your Lordship. 8 p.m. occurrence was took place, and 7:57 p.m. she can be seen in the CCTV footage, and in the shop, which is the CCTV footage she kept, that is about 6 kilometers far from the place of occurrence. So with all these aspects, Lordship, the petition, the previous petition was filed, Lordship. That the allegation, there is some
Okay, all right. Then, which is the first FIR at page?
14, Lordship.
Second FIR?
Second FIR, Lordship, page 21, Lordship. First one, lost by the wife of the deceased. Second one, lost by the mother of the deceased, and all the petitioner are brother and sister of the
No, the
deceased.
against you is page 14,
14 against us.
and the FIR lodged against the
Against other
Two
accused.
FIRs are both against them.
No, Lordship.
One is by wife.
No, Lordship. Both are not against one. The wife, the FIR which was lost by the wife, that is against us, and the FIR which was lost by the mother of the deceased, that is against some Monuar, Moinul, Taluk, Mozidur. 8-10 names are there.
related.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, in this
How
case,
this Ayesha Bewa is related in what manner?
she is the mother of the deceased.
The mother of the deceased, and how this accused are related to the petitioners?
Petitioner brothers, brother and
Brothers,
sister.
okay.
One sister is there, 3 brothers. And Lordship, that is I have not annexed one FIR I have got today, Lordship, which is lodged in the year of Lordship 2023, and that is
These petitioners are brothers of the
this.
This is Moniruz Zaman.
Yes, Lordship. Petitioner number 4 is the sister, elder sister of Munir Zaman. Otherwise, 3 are brothers.
Petitioner number 4.
4 is the sister, elder sister.
Sister.
Lordship, the CCTV.
And this lady, Aisha Bewa, is wife,
Yes, mother, Lord.
mother of
No.
Asghar Ali, wife of Asghar Ali.
Yes, Lordship.
Let me check the CD.
My
Okay?
lord, what my learned friend is my lord pointing out the FIR, that record is not before us. What is before us is that, my lord, it's my lord, what I have submitted, my lord. There is eyewitness account of my lord in 183 also, and in my lord 161, my lord 180 statement also, my lord.
That's why, Lordship, both the case diary was called for, Lordship, because the mother, the FIR lodged by the mother is also important. Since that is also registered, statement must have recorded in this case, that case also, Lordship, and both are contradictory to each other. So one will be the false. That may be against us or in favor of us.
Then we can send back the CD and call for the.
Both the case diary,
cases.
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
And
Lordship, if possible, Lordship, with regard.
Possible. Impossible.
Interim is out of.
Out
No,
of
Lordship, I
question.
am not praying for interim for all, Lordship. Only for petitioner number
No,
4. She is the lady.
Everyone.
So I will either reject it or I am going to call. for
No,
the-
Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship,
Send
One-
back the CD, call for the up-to-date CD along with the case diary of which case?
That is 236.
236, Lordship.
236 of 2025.
Yes, Lordship.
Huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Along with what PS case?
Lordship, Gauripur PS case, Lordship.
234 has come, my lord.
234 is already come, Lordship.
Okay.
236, Lordship, Gauripur. Lordship, one prayer, Lordship.
236 of 2025. full stop. The CDs of both the cases, 234 of 2025 and 236 of 2025 is to be forwarded on 18
Lordship,
July.
just one prayer, Lordship. The CCTV footage which I am pointing out that at the relevant point of time, the
No, no.
informant was not present at the.
Please don't argue all this in bail matters. These are for appeal or these are for evidence. Item 48.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship. My lordship may kindly find the affair at page 9.
Here she did not receive, madam.
Serious corporate is not received, issue reminder, list the matter on after vacation, okay? Hello, I got DTO for it.
I am not in interim, lordship.
Interim, 17 July.
Obliged.
CD and injury report was called for. Here, Lordship, what has happened? Here, there was some animosity in regard to, I don't know what.
My lord, injury report is not available in the.
Oh,
We need the injury report, I think.
in that case, Lordship, I will pray that it is the second time. I will pray
But
for
you
some
see
interim,
earlier-
Lordship. There is no issue,
Earlier,
Lordship,
a CD was received with the injury.
without the
report,
injury report.
And then maybe it was decided to cancel the bail, then.
No, no, I
reject
am not
the
an
bail.
interim, Lordship.
No, it was decided to reject the bail, then maybe injury report was called for then.
No, never it came up that for rejection of the bail. Rather, your lordship, it was that it will be finally considered. That is why CD and injury report was required.
Okay, then what is the case?
What the case is, lordship will kindly see that there is an animosity between the petitioner and the informant on basis of a meter, just a meter. A meter was planted in the house of the informant by petitioner number 2, and later on it was taken back by him on some
It's
some
okay.
some
Animosity
quarrel.
will be there, that is why they were fighting, but what is the allegation?
Allegation is this, that I have assaulted them. One of them has hold a hand behind and another is assaulted. That is the allegation. That is in your lordship will find in annexure 1, page number 13. And I'll show you
Then,
lordship.
okay, then we will go. Do you want me to consider without the?
Let the injury report come, lordship.
Yes,
Let a very short date be given.
yes. After vacation.
Immediately after vacation.
CD is
lordship.
received without the injury report, sent back the city, call for the city along with the injury report. List the
Till then, if
matter
your lordship can consider our interim lordship. Deeply obliged.
16 July.
In this case, CD was called for, and the petitioner before lordship is a student, BHC student. BHC reading and BHC second. My lord, today I pray
is the
for
offense?
some protection, page number 10. His name is not there, my lord, he is not totally involved. There is no whisper in the FIR, page number 10. And some
He's
persons.
not arrested, no.
No, my lordship, page number 10, there are 3 persons names implicated who has been who are arrested. But this person, my lord, is totally innocent. My lord, my submission is that if anything found till next date, my lord, bail may be cancelled because I have lordship.
Let me see. whether they-
Yes, page 10 may be seen.
Please read the FIR.
Whether anything is there or not.
Please read.
My lord. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to state that as per the letter received from the office of the Superintendent of Police Dorong, Assam White memo number so-and-so dated so-and-so, and on perusal of the enclosed documents, it has been revealed that huge amount of transaction had occurred in the account of so-and-so which is in the name of Farhad Ansari and in the account of so-and-so which is in the name of Rajiv Ahmed from various others account. Besides so-and-so portal, 2 numbers of complaints of online fraud against the said account have been received from UT states of New Delhi and Maharashtra. Also, on the basis of information received from the Cyber Cell SP Office Dorong, preliminary investigation has already been conducted by Dhulap GD number so dated, and below noted accused were apprehended, and on interrogation they confessed about the commission of the said offense since almost 1 year. From the above fact and circumstances, it is found that the below noted accused persons are criminally conspiring the committing financial fraud, inflicting heavy financial losses to the citizen nationwide for their wrongful gain by opening using the current account through the deceitful means. Therefore, I request to kindly register the case against the said accused. My lord, there are three persons named, my lord. There is no whisper about the petitioner, who is a student, BSc student, my lord. Reading page number 13 is the,
Called for to the police station.
my lord, I am apprehending arrest because, my lord, the police is disturbing me, my lord, just running after me. If anything found, my humble submission, that may be rejected. Page number 13 may be seen for a moment, my lord. Page number 13, this is an identity card issued by the Pandit Devendra Deen Dayal Upadhyay Adarsha Vidyalaya. It is under the
No.
Government of Assam.
Here, this is not correct.
That's
Last
correct.
time I told you, we will not receive the CD so early, 16/6.
My lord,
We'll need some more time from Dorong. We'll need the CD so after vacation.
my lord, till next date, I
No,
my
no.
humble prayer, my lord, says BHC student, my lord.
No.
That is why, my lord,
You just
some,
look at the allegation.
my lord, I have seen, but there is no, some transaction was there.
How
Some
come you
persons are arrested.
preempt that this?
My lord, there is no whisper about me, my lord. That is my humble submission, my lord. If anything found, I have no case, my lord. That was my submission. This is the
After
second,
CD, maybe I can grant you.
my lord,
bail,
second
no
day CD has not come, my lord. That
The
is why,
second, how can it come when you're not giving sufficient time for the CD? 8 days, it won't never come from Dorong. This is what is being done.
my
You
lord,
are
may I
forced to
pray,
call for CD in 8
may I
days.
pray
And
some
when the CD
protection,
doesn't come, then you ask me.
my lord, may I pray some
There is
protection
no-
that I may not be disturbed, that much, my lord. I may not be disturbed. I am a student, my lord. I have to go to classes, my lord. Practical classes is there, my lord.
It's okay.
That is why.
You won't be disturbed.
My lord, that observation, my lord, I may not be.
CD list the matter on 17 July. CDS call for is not received, issue reminder.
Right.
To positively forward the CD on 17 July.
Probably lost.
In 8 days, no CD will come from Dorong.
Right, please, your lordship. Here, I am not the FIR named accused. And the FIR named accused has been granted bail, lordship. Here, the
Submitted, my lord.
Okay.
Let
Hard
me
learned
approach
counsel
the
Mr.
law
A.
court.
Bhattacharjee for the petitioner and learned addition PP Mr. P. Bhotakur for the state. First of learned addition PP has submitted that Shashit has been laid against the petitioner being CS number.
CS number
135/25 dated 31/5/25.
The petitioner is at liberty to approach the jurisdictional court and jurisdictional court stroke Elaka magistrate and apply for bail which may be considered by the court in accordance with law.
Diploma.
Yes,
But
my
I-
lord, here notice served, my lord. I have received the report.
So we'll appoint a legal aid counsel. We'll have to appoint a legal aid counsel. And we'll also call for the scan copies we have received.
Received,
So-
already co-accused already lordship granted bail.
But legal aid counsel has to be appointed. Learned counsel Ms. S.K. Nargis is present. Learned additional PP Mr. P. Bhotakur has submitted that. Notice has been served to the respondent number 2, who is not represented today. Office to appoint a legal aid counsel to represent the respondent number 2. List the matter.
Can it be Friday, lordship? Lordship, because
No, no,
because
not
of because of that reason we are had lordship. It's a case pending since February, lordship.
Not possible on Friday.
If last chance, lordship, if possible.
No, no. There's an piece of advice from me. See, we have 2 vacation courts, 2 days. So you'll have to send an email. You ask any of your junior to send an email. And then this matter will be put up. Because why I'm saying? To immediately appoint a legal aid counsel. Why I'm saying? Then the scan copies are already before us. So there won't be much of burden, I think.
And without fixing a date after a week like that, or lordship, if it's or during the vacation if not.
First, list the matter on vacation. I'm giving after vacation, but you can prepone the case.
But if lordship fix the matter after vacation, then they will not accept lordship.
No,
No, Resi will not accept, no, Resi will not give us permission, lordship. We have faced- No, if he, no, my lord, we have faced that problem, lordship. If lordship fixed date or.
Why don't you try? Try.
No, it's
The
not possible.
procedure is
But
that,
not on
they will have to
27.
file application before the.
No, if lordship fix already, then that will not possible for us, lordship. They will ask what is the urgency, it's a 438. Sorry for lordship in BNS, lordship 482. That's why lordship fix after week or like that or first vacation or like that.
How about Anike, did you list this matter after 1 week?
After when, that will be better for us. And in the meantime,
Yeah, we have a week.
in the meantime, lordship, amicus curiae will appoint.
Yes, yes. Meanwhile, registry to appoint a legal aid counsel to represent the respondent number 2. You see, once the respondent number 2 is once amicus curiae is represented or appointed, even if she doesn't turn up, the matter can be taken up, which I usually do.
Yes.
But appointment is necessary.
I know that procedure. That is why I was worried about that thing, lordship, on last occasion also.
She may be directed to serve a copy again because my lord office, we have already misplaced.
Petitioner to furnish a copy of the petition to the
My lord, time and again, we are serving my lord these copies. Last occasion also, we have served a copy, lordship.
Initially, they have served my lord. Where is the difficulty?
Initially served means, my lord, it is not disposed of it yet.
I ordered.
Tiny matter, lordship, dear
Oh,
poor
okay.
person, lordship, how can I do this? I'm doing this pro bono case, lordship.
I already ordered.
Obliged, lordship.
Production this title 1.
Made please, Lord. Yeah, my lord. This matter is connected to my lord item number 20 of today's list, my lord. Your lordship will recall once, my lord, go to the FIR, my lord. Page 10 is the FIR, my lord. Okay, my lord. He accuses there, my
Item number 22 কোনে লৈছিলে?
item.
Item number 20.
This number is okay.
তুমি লৈছিলা ন? নাম কিটা বদলাই পেলাই লিখি দিবা। Okay. We have the CD.
CD is there, my lord. Item 20, lordship is allowed.
একে হয়। নাম কিটা বদলাই পেলাই লিখি।
Obliged, my lord.
Item number 8 for admission.
খালি সেই দুটা ফেক্টৰ নিলিখিবা যে একিউজডৰ পৰা অকল মোবাইলটো পালে সেইটো নিলিখিবা বাছ। আৰু প্ৰাইম একিউজ কিটাক যে এৰেষ্ট কৰিলে সেইটো নিলিখিলে হৈ যাব।
He is also one of the, he's also prime.
Prime accused, that is why.
Okay.
Yeah, other case, he was saying that his accused is innocent
Yes.
and these two are involved.
Everybody is saying that, but they 3 are present at that point of time, my lord.
So I'm not, I'm asking her to delete those 2 lines.
Yeah.
This story is sort of different.
Yes.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship? Your lordship kindly pass over the matter for the day as the counsel, Mr. F. A. Lashkar, is unable to attend the.
Which one?
Item number 8.
Okay. Learned counsel, Mr. F. A. Lashkar
F. A.
is
Lashkar. Respondent number 2 is out of station.
representing the respondent number 2 is out of station. List this matter on after 3 weeks.
Item number 9 and 10.
Me, last time we represent me. None appear. Petitioner is not represented. Likhit here. Beginning of the likhit diba. Next time, heavy ko dimar. Final log.
Several location there action, my lordship may kindly peruse there.
Oh, yes, yes, correct.
The last occasion there action.
On absence of any of the parties on the next date fixed, this matter will be disposed on
Dismiss for default.
no. Revision. This necessary order may be passed. Necessary order may be passed. Necessary order will be passed.
Item 9 and 10.
My lord, 9 and 10 both against the common judgment, my lord.
Hmm.
Appeal against conviction, all item number 10 already admitted, my lord. 9 not yet admitted, my lord. The criminal appeal number 331,
Appeal number 9 admitted.
9 not admitted. Criminal appeal 331, 24, my lord. My lord, conviction is under section 20B 2C of NDPS Act, my lord.
Well admitted.
Yes, ma'am.
Learned counsel, Mr.
A.K. Gupta, ma'am.
A.K. Gupta is present for the appellant. First of the appellant has filed this appellants, no?
One, my lord, appellant.
Appellant has filed this appeal against the judgment and order dated 30/11/2023 passed by the learned Session Judge Karimganj, convicting the appellant
Page 35. ma'am.
under section
20, my lord, page 35, para 31. Under section 20, a small b,
not 20 small b. 20 small b within bracket 2 within bracket capital C of the NTPS Act, and sentencing him to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 10 months, 10 years, and to pay a fine of rupees 10 years, the 1 lakh with default stipulation. Admit. This matter for hearing that.
my lord, record in the other case is already received, my lord. My lord,
Same record.
record is already received, my lord.
Same record.
Same record.
We have already received the trial court records. List this matter for hearing.
My lord, I have also prayer for bail, my lord. That is IA is there, my lord. IA 968/24, my lord.
So you want to press the prayer for bail?
Yes, at this is today, lordship may issue notice, my lord. On the next date, lordship may hear them.
Yeah, 10 years conviction, man. We'll have further object.
List this matter for hearing now. IA which one?
IA 968/24.
I heard learned counsel Mr. A.K. Gupta for the applicant issue notice to the respondent. Trial court records are already before us. List this matter on the learned additional PP. You have not received the notice now.
Not.
So what to do? Will issue notice or we will show acceptance of notice?
My lord, my friend may accept the notice and my lord, lordship may fix the IA, my lord.
Issue notice.
Okay, okay, sir.
Learned additional PP, Mr. B. Sharma has accepted notice on behalf of the state and thus no further notice is required to be issued. List this matter.
Respondent number 2 is by the Nur Nehar Begum, my lord.
She is as the investigating officer.
No.
Investigating officer, NDPS.
PP will represent.
By name, by the.
Not required.
They may take step, my lord, then we will appear, my lord. They
My
may
lord,
take step.
in the other case, my lord, they are appearing for the same person. Other.
Not required. No, AK, so.
A copy of the appeal along with my lord, I may be
Learned,
submitted.
applicant to
Extra.
furnish copy of the application and the appeal memo.
Along with I,
Learned additional PP.
my lord.
Applicant, yes, application.
After my lord, petition, my lord, we'll file our objection.
This is matter here.
Obliged.
Copy to our.
Learned additional PP, submitted for time to file objection. Learned additional PP has also submitted for time to file his objection.
May I please, your lordship?
During your lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 2 and 3. Your lordship, the husband of respondent number 2 has expired in families in bereavement, your lordship. And so I could not obtain the update of the trial complaint case, your lordship. So it may come any day after vacation, your lordship.
But my lord, we have paid for stay, my lord. It is
There is an observation of this honorable court that after the appearance of the parties, my lord,
It's the first
order
time
dated
you are appearing,
25,
Your
my lord.
Lordship. Any
Notice
day.
has been served, my lord. Order dated 25/11/24. Kindly pay.
Yes.
But my lord, I have already
Update-
paid the amount, my lord. We have
Update-
annexed all the documents, my lord. There is an unnecessary harassment, my lord. I am come from Lakhimpur to appear this at Guwahati for trial, my lord.
In fact, if I argue, Your Lordship, there is absolutely nothing in this case for admitting, invoking the inherent power. Because they are not
But
facing
my
the
lord,
trial, Your
there
Lordship.
is police
and
investigation also.
Ordinarily, they have come here.
There is
Why,
a-
what
Lordship,
reason
may
they come from
kindly
appearing in
peruse
the
my
trial,
annexure.
trial case? So the update of the trial case is required, Your Lordship.
My lord, next that, my lord.
Next that-
Till then, my lord, equal protection.
No,
Lordship, may then
In
kindly
fact, it can be
peruse the
disposed of.
police report, my lord. I have close all the documents.
38 NIA case.
Yes, Your
My
Lordship.
lord,
You are the accused.
Yes.
my lord.
How much fine you are paying? Compensation?
The trial is going on, Your Lordship. Instead of appearing in the trial, it was fixed for appearance, and they have
But-
come for
Lordship,
question.
may kindly peruse the FIR, my lord. I have enclosed the
FIR has
my
nothing to
lord.
do, Your Lordship. And
And my lord, there is, we have enclosed the bank statement also, my
he
lord.
has also admitted.
I have enclosed the bank statement.
That is-
Already
that-
10 lakhs has been paid. And
is-
on the basis of that, my lord, inquiry also going on, my lord.
That
Lordship,
is-
may kindly peruse, my.
That is not, they can say in the trial court. They can say in the trial court, what is the
But my
necessity
lord,
of-
unnecessary harassment, my lord. I am come from Lakhimpur to appear here.
Why
my lord,
don't you
Guwahati.
appear in the trial case?
Lordship,
and
may
say-
kindly peruse, my
and
lord.
make this.
And there is an observation of this court, honorable court, my lord.
I also.
Earlier order,
Affidavit,
Lordship, may
Lordship.
kindly peruse
Due
order
respect.
dated 25/11/24, my lord. There is an order of this
If
court,
the,
my lord.
if my learned friend want to argue, I'm ready to argue today itself. But update of the complaint case is required, Your Lord.
And my lord, even LCA also not come, my lord, scan copy.
No,
It has already been directed to
Without scan copy is difficult, you see, NIA
Yes.
case. What is the amount?
the amount is
12 lakhs.
Your Lordship. If they have admitted, but they have also stated
I
that
am,
they have paid.
I
but
have
to
paid,
wrong
paid
person,
the amount, no,
to wrong
not
person.
admitted.
And these they can submit before the trial court and get acquitted. Why
Lord-
before the High Court?
Learned Counsel, Mr.
Lordship,
R. Mozumdar has
Yes.
prayed for adjournment as the
Husband of the respondent number two.
husband of respondent number 2
Yes.
has passed away.
In fact, the husband is the complainant in the complaint
Okay.
case.
This learned counsel, Mr. D. Bora, has raised objections stating that he is being harassed as he has to appear in Guwahati from Lakhimpur. As he, no, she.
He,
No,
Yeah.
he,
He, no?
my lord.
Santa Gogoi?
My lord.
Chandago is he.
Okay. At the
Anta Gogoi.
the petitioner is being harassed. He has submitted that. List the matter on
Immediately after vacation, my lord.
18 July.
My lord.
No
18.
problem.
Or 18th. Huh? Oh, 18th of July.
Right. Yep. Item number. Item 30.
May I please, Your Lord? My lord, these are application under section 528 for quashing of a complaint case, my lord. My lord, case of the complainant is that, my lord, he was occupying a government fast land, my lord. And government of Assam introduced to construct a road, my lord, and decided to pay the compensation to the person who are occupying the land, my lord. But due compensation was not paid to the petition, paid to him, my lord. Now, my lord, who I am, my lord? Petitioner number 1 and 2 are the Montons, my lord. They surveyed the, carried out the survey, my lord. When, my lord, and after that, my lord, after survey, my lord, Fishery Department, your lordship will find page 27, my lord. Assess the compensation, my lord. Page 27, your lordship will find page 28, my lord. Page 28, your lordship was serial number 4 or 5. One Ayub Ali Lashkar, mark. There is a mark, my lord. Ayub Ali Lashkar, he was found in possession of the fishery, my lord. And compensation was assessed in his name, my lord. Then, my lord, on the basis of the complainant, my lord, circle officer, my lord, conducted an inquiry, my lord, and submitted the inquiry report, my lord, page 29, relevant page 30, my lord.
Hmm.
Your lordship will find serial number, serial 34, my lord, bottom, my lord.
Okay.
My lord, DAG number so and so not correct. However, during field verification, it is found that DAG number so and so, which is LC hash and possessed by Ayub Ali. Ayub Ali is the father of the petitioner number 3, my lord. Petitioner Ayub Ali was found in possession and payment was made in his favor, my lord. And petitioner number 1 and 2, they are the Lat Mandals, my lord. When he failed, my lord, my lord, he filed this instant complaint petition, my lord. And petition number 1 and 2, my lord, they have done their official duty, my lord. And they have no.
Okay.
So,
I
my,
understand.
my lord, at this stage, my humble prayer is that next date fixed is 5, my lord. Till then, my lord, there is no stay order, my lord. Proceeding may kindly be stayed, my lord. And
I have objection regarding stay order, Your Honor.
and one more thing, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, he has already filed a civil suit, my lord. It is a case of civil suit, my lord. Your lordship, kindly see the notice under section 80 CPC was issued to the petitioner, my lord. Although I do not have the case number of civil suit, my lord.
Issued to petition number 1 and 2.
Yes, petitioner 1 and 2 deputy.
Petitioner number 3 is not government
No,
servant.
government servant, my lord. He is the son of the beneficiary, my lord.
What objection do you have?
Your Honor, kindly peruse page 22. Initial deposition. Lucky Rikiason. Page 22, and except 3.
You have a respondent number 2.
2.
Page 22. Okay.
Our land has been acquired by the government for construction of road under the Assam Malapur.
Hmm.
Accused Vishal and Hibjur Raman being the parties from LA branch, Highland went to our land and did all the necessary survey and measurement, and thereafter our land where pond was situated acquired. But complainant has not received the compensation for such acquisition. When they inquired about the matter with Vishal and Hibjur Rahman, they told him that the compensation was given to Abul Qasim Lodge. Although complainant informed the matter to the Deputy Commissioner, and the complaint got no relief. Lordship, page 23, deposition of Samiran Rikiason and the complainant, page 20. All the depositionists are supported the complaint of the complainant. So their deposition has made out a prima facie case against the accused person, and therefore the learned court below issued the summon to the accused petition. My humble submission before Your Honor is that since the prima facie case is made out, the case is not a case of quashing. If they have agreed, they may file a petition before the learned trial court seeking discharge. And if they are not involved, the learned trial court will consider that, yes, they are not involved in the case, the learned court will discharge them from the case. So my humble submission before your lordship is that this is not a fit case for quashing, and the case is liable to be dismissed.
My lord, my humble submission, your lordship is aware about Bojan Lal, my lord. There is some parameter has been given, my lord. Well, first of all, my lord, petitioner number 1 and 2, they are government employees, my lord. Prior prosecution sanction is required. There is no prosecution sanction, my lord. And my lord, it is absolutely a civil case, my lord. Kindly see the complaint, my lord. What his grievance, what his allegation is, my lord. My lord, particular translated copy, my lord, page operative part 17, my lord. My lord, kindly see the last bottom para, my lord. What his grievance is. Under
Where,
such
which page?
page 17, my lord. Under such circumstances, complainant believes that the accused number 1 and 2 plotting together with the accused number, they have withdrawn rupees 2,000 for the fishery of the complainant. My lord, amount was sanctioned in the name of Ayub Ali, my lord. Your lordship has seen, my lord. There is no question of withdrawing his amount, but because never amount was sanctioned in his name, my lord. It was Ayub Ali was found in possession, my lord. And according to fishery department, my lord, fishery department verified and assessed the amount, and it was credited in the account of Ayub Ali, my lord. Even though, my lord, on his complaint, my lord, circle officer himself verified and found that Ayub Ali was in possession, my lord. My lord, what rule, my lord, petitioner has, my lord? They, being a Mondal, my lord, they surveyed the area, my lord. This is,
Under which section this case was booked?
my lord, section, my lord. Section, my lord, আইনের দ্বারা 318(4) oblique 336(3) BNSS, my lord.
Oh, BNS.
BNS, my lord. My lord, my
Okay,
humble
State.
Lordship,
We'll call for the scan copies of the trial court records. Ase, then we will, for final disposal, we'll
Yes,
fix a short date. Huh? State, till then, state till the next date.
Lordship, regarding survey report of circle officer, there is a question of disputed fact, Your Honor. Assistant Settlement Officer Hailakandi issued a certificate that the land, report of circle officer that he is in possession of the land. But the record is in my name, Your Honor. This is the
My lord, this
certificate
is
of
absolutely
Assistant
civil, my
Settlement
lord.
Officer, Your Honor.
This is why my humble.
So it's a
public,
question
how
of
criminal
disputed
court
fact,
will
Your Honor.
decide, my lord.
The only trial court can decide the matter only.
Whether a criminal court can decide, my lord.
Dag number 431, Your Honor. Mahavir Bhuya, my father, Your Honor.
You are under possession,
I was under possession, my lord.
but they recorded in your name.
I am,
That is
I
why
am
my
also in possession, Your Honor. I am also in possession, but the circle officer,
Lordship is fixed for hearing, my lord, final hearing, my lord.
Yes, I think so.
My lord giving, without giving any stay order, my lordship is fixed for hearing, my lord. In the reopening, my lord.
No, my lord, next date is 5th July, my
Limited time
lord.
of
Till
hearing
next date, my
for-
lord.
my
Till
lord.
next date, my lord.
For
I am
appearance,
not,
my lord.
I am not seeking that till
What
next
it is,
date.
no adverse order is yet to.
No, my lord,
pass it there,
already
Your
two day,
Honor.
already two occasion, my lord, petitioner took time, and one of the petitioner is serving in Guwahati, my lord. I have already, my lord, annexed his appointment letter, my lord, a transfer order, my lord. Your lordship will find, my lord.
So you are suspecting foul play.
Your Honor,
Are you suspecting foul play from on their side?
yes.
Page 15, my lord. Petitioner number 2 is, my lord, he is in Guwahati, my lord. He is serving in Guwahati, my lord. My lord, what? My lord, they are Mondal, my lord. They perform their official duty, my lord. And inquiry was done by the circle officer himself, my lord, and found that, my lord. If they are aggrieved, my lord, civil suit is the, my lord, appropriate remedy, my lord. What a criminal court,
No, what civil suit?
civil suit, my lord, civil suit, why there his compensation was paid to another, whether
That
he
will
was,
be LA case.
sorry.
That will be LA case. Acquisition, no?
Yes, my lord, LA case, my lord. How, my lord, I do not find it how it is a criminal case, my lord. LA case, my lord. Now, my lord, he subsequently, my lord, he understood that that is why he under section 80 CPC notice was issued to the all, including deputy commissioner, circle officer, my lord. And civil suit has also been filed, my lord. So, my lord, next date I will submit the case number, and your lordship will dispose the petition, my lord. That is my humble sir.
In the initial deposition, Your Honor, all the petitioners are implicated. Moreover, the petitioner number 2, after submitting his survey report, he has transferred to Guwahati. He has transferred only on 16/7/24. And the
survey report of title officer on the basis of this patwari was submitted on 8th of December 22.
My lord, if that is, my lord, one more thing, my lord, petitioner number 2, he was transferred to the Guwahati on by order dated 16 July, my lord. And the allegation, my lord, kindly see the complaint. Complaint, my lord, complaint what he stated, what the complainant has stated, my lord. How he, my lord, page 17, my lord. My lord, middle, although the notices were issued to the landowners, but as no notice was issued to the complainant, he on last 12/8/2014, along with witnesses, contacted LA branch and inquired about the reason of non-issuance. The accused number 1 and 2 replied that, my lord, at that time already, my lord, petitioner number 2, he was transferred to Guwahati, my lord. By order dated 16 July 2024, and complainant in his allegation saying that when he approached on, my lord, 12/8/2024, accused number 1 and 2 replied him, my lord. This is absolutely false, my lord. He was not in the office of Hailakandi at that time, my lord. My lord, they are employee, my lord. If they appear, my lord, they will definitely be
What
granted.
will the petitioner number 3 do now? He'll fight for the land.
No, my lord. Petitioner number 3 is the son of the beneficiary
Yes,
Ayub Ali,
yes.
in whose favor payment was made, my lord, who was found in possession. He has been falsely implicated because of son of the beneficiary. He was implicated in this case. And 1
But
and 2,
his father has received the money.
yes, father has received the money because his father was found in possession and payment was made to him, my lord.
Okay, we'll stay. Next day we'll dispose it. Heart Learned Council, what is your name?
AHMR Chaudhary.
AHMR Chaudhary for the petitioners 1, 2, 3 who have filed this application under section 528.
528.
The BNWS 2053 with prayer for quashing the FIR,
CR, my lord. CR
quashing the CR case number.
902/2024.
It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that the petitioner number 1 and 2 are Mondal
Mondal, my lord.
Patwari.
Patwari, my lord.
Mondal stroke Patwari, and they have been working under the order of the circle officer who stopped the petitioner number 3's father had received the that will be compensation
Compensation.
for acquisition of the of his land by the government to construct a road.
Yes, my lord.
On the other hand, the Learned Council for the respondent number 2, Mr.
S.A. Sharma.
S.A. Sharma.
Rahman.
Rahman has raised objection stating that the actual owner and possession of the land was the respondent number 2 and
Father of the respondent.
father of the respondent number 2. But in collusion with petitioner number 1 and 2, the father of petitioner number 3 had accepted the compensation as beneficiary, despite the fact that the petitioner number 2 was the land. Petitioner number 2 was the owner. Petitioner number 2's father was the owner of the land
Fair, my lord. Actually, it is
acquired by the government. I have considered the submissions at the bar. It appears that the matter may be that further proceeding of the CR case number
902
902
oblique 24
oblique 2024
pending in the court of learned civil judge.
may be stayed. Hence, the further proceedings are stayed at least till the next date of listing. List the matter for hearing.
Petition hearing, Your Honor.
No, this is already admitted. I'll admit it.
Admission.
List matter is admitted for hearing. List the matter for hearing on 24th July.
Deeply obliged.
24th July, sir.
Doctor, I'm sorry. In item number 8, I was in court. I was in Lex in court number 23. Lordship has said none appears. My name may be reflected in the order, Your Lordship.
Item number 8 or likhit was
MH Laskar for the
Learned
petitioner.
Council, Mr. M.S. Laskar is present.
And
Oh, here to last line to Kati Diba.
And the date may be fixed immediately after vacation, your lordship. One date may be.
On the absence of any of the parties will লিখা আছিল নেকি কাটি দিবা
Respondent number 2 is absent. Private respondent number 2 is absent.
They have taken adjournment.
No, no. Taken. Item number 8.
They have appeared first. Someone.
yes he has taken adjournment
Other side.
Others.
Okay. Okay. Then a date may be given.
that was already given
No.
yes our date was
Can it be 15th of July? There is some urgency. 26th of July. Oblige, lordship.
15, my lord. In this case, my lord, the learned trial court,
item 15
item 15, my lord.
এইটো এইটো মই item 15 এইটো ইয়াত ভৰাই দিলো নেকি এইটো না হয় criminal revision petition
Yes, my lord.
against the state government
Against the judgment, my lord.
Okay.
Against the judgment passed by the learned trial court under section 125 CRPC, maintenance. my lord. And prima facie, my lord, this judgment is not tenable as that Rajneesh Prasad Sneha is not followed by.
okay
So prima facie it is not tenable. So my humble submission either it may be remanded or
Quashed.
or quashed, my lord. Prima facie this it's not tenable.
without hearing it will be difficult to quash. But remanded can
Yes. So my
Whether notice serve or not, my lord, that also.
so at this stage, my lord, at this stage, my lord, my humble submission that may be stayed and notice may be issued. This may be
this at the motion stage
first stage.
Admission, my lord.
Admission stage. Earlier, my lord, IA for restoration was filed.
Whether
it was
notice
allowed.
serve or not, my lord, it will.
No, my lord, this is the first date.
First,
Because
but then
already, my
notice-
lord, in IA case, IA, we have filed IA for restoration,
Restoration.
which was amicus curiae was appointed, who appeared and matter was heard, and thereafter my IA was allowed. Now it is listed by way of number.
IA was for delay.
IA was
filing
delayed,
one
which
or
was
six
allowed,
days.
my lord. So my humble submission is a prima facie not tenable, my lord.
it's not tenable it's all right
My lord,
let us
here-
issue notice
My lord, here
Yes.
notice may be issued,
Till
but
then, I'll-
how
after
much you are asked to pay how much
It is at, it is, my lord, 3,000 per month.
3,000 per month, my lord, they have silence.
It is 3,000 per month. And I am an unemployed person, my lord. Totally unemployed. Judgment is itself not tenable. So my humble submission, there is a clear direction is Radhishna Sneha judgment that has to be followed.
yes it's okay we'll issue notice
Until then, my lord, that may be stayed.
Learned Counsel Mr. H.R. Chaudhary is present for the petitioner and learned the additional PP Mr. B. Sharma is present for the state. Respondent number 1. Stop petitioner to take steps to issue notice to respondent number 2, returnable on
And
up to
based,
4 weeks.
yes, my lord, there is interim prayer is there.
No, my lord, after hearing the parties, my lord.
My lord, interim prayer is there, my lord.
No.
My humble submission is since it is not tenable, my lord. So how it is survived, my lord?
It's not tenable true, but let the notice go. Meanwhile, call for the call for the trial court records. Finally discuss judgment, no?
Yes.
Call for the trial court
For the
records.
start. I'm blessed.
She is your legally married wife, isn't she?
Sorry, my lord.
Your legally married wife?
Yes, my lord. I am not a wife, my lord. I am the husband, my lord.
Yes. The other side is your legally married wife.
My lord, if it is my lord hard, my lord, many things to do, my lord, but I am not on that. my lord.
Item number 52, my lord, as per office note, service report awaited.
Your lordship, I pray for stay of the session case number 211 of 2024, your lord.
Punishment?
Your lordship, 295,
Huh?
295 section.
Punishment, how many years?
295.
This is listed for orders, my lord. Then, as per office note, service not here.
Oh, this is washing.
Yes, your lord.
Washing of what?
Passing of, it was
Crossing of FIR.
FIR, your lordship.
Under section 395.
395, your lord. Your lordship, the fact of the case is that your
Well,
lordship,
otherwise, my lord,
this
sometimes of the
petitioners, they are
bank
the
this is not
recovery
a case
agent.
For interference of the this honorable court.
Your lordship may kindly,
We'll hear the matter. We'll hear the matter and dispose it off. Are you ready?
yes, your lord.
You? Not
Otherwise,
record.
otherwise only my lord, what I have only from the contents of the allegation in the FIR, my lord, I will have to only go through that, my lord. And from the
There is a
contents of
Supreme
this
Court
FIR,
judgment, your lordship, that
considering all
no
those,
criminal
I have
case can be instituted against a financier or his agent, your
Well,
lordship.
today service report
That is-
awaited, let the service complete thereafter, your lordship, as per office note, your lordship.
Oh, it's not
Till-
complete.
Yes, no.
Why it has come for admission then?
No, orders,
No,
my lord,
order-
orders.
Okay, it's for orders. So,
Order.
okay.
Also till next date, your lordship, this session
No,
case
no.
may be stayed, your lordship.
No. No comments.
Because next date is fixed on 2/9/2025, your lordship.
See,
For
why, this is not correct, it's not proper. It has come before 3 other benches. Never there is a.
No, your lordship, la previous,
Well,
last
today, my lord,
occasion,
service report awaited, sir, let
last
And
service
then,
occasion,
the service.
why so much of insistence in this bench? This is not proper. There's nothing about stay or.
your lordship, last
anything.
occasion, this honorable court was pleased to grant the stay order, but due to some confusion, that was not given.
There's nothing mentioned.
No, it was not reflected, but the honorable court was,
These
if
are
your
got-
lordship may kindly see paragraph
As per
number,
office note, my lord, service report awaited, let the service.
paragraph
complete.
number 4,
Service
5.
report on respondent number 2 is awaited. List the matter on vacation officer dated. We'll giving you a fixed date.
No, maybe after 18th. So,
Item number 53.
May repeat, madam. And last order was, my lord, state council was directed to ascertain whether the notice upon respondent to receive or not.
No, my lord, service report not yet received, my
My
lord.
lord, it was pending, my lord, last October, my lord. The instruction is awaited, my lord. He is in jail, my lord, from October, my lord. September, my lord. Only 4 years punishment, my lord.
We'll need the service report.
My lord,
Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. List the matter on.
after vacation, my lord, date may be, my lord.
On 24 July.
For my lord, because my lord, this is in jail, my lord, last 9 months, my lord. 15, 16.
15, 16. 17.
all right,
17
my
July.
lord.
Wait, please, my lady. This is a petition under section 482 seeking quashing of a CR case, madam. The allegation, the offense, the dispute in question arose with regard to a boundary. The complainant who's filed the complaint before the learned court below is the nephew of the petitioner number 1, my lords. And the petitioner number 3, my lords, it is very unfortunate. Is my chamber junior, he is a practicing advocate of this honorable court, my lords. There have been multiple proceedings and the learned trial court, my lords, has taken cognizance of the matter and issued summons without respectfully, my lords, applying its mind. May I just place the complaint, my lords, for ladies' appreciation, my lords. The complaint starts at,
See,
Yes.
this is for admission.
no, this is for orders, my lord. I have perused the records. They filed a wakalatnama, my lords, on 24th.
My lord, name not shown in the cause list.
Yes,
my
but there is a wakalatnama, my lady.
You see, there's already a protection.
No, there,
NBWA.
yes, my lady.
It's in the protection.
No, what the difficulty with that is, my lady, is the interim order only protects us from the NBW. So the trial has proceeded. The entire issue, there are in fact civil suits.
See, this is not fair. When in one bench you have benches not considered your stay.
I'm only renewing my prayer.
Only extend the
Then may I,
NBWA.
my lord, my lady, my lord, may I only pray the proceedings before the trial court are on 16th July. If my lady will accommodate me for a hearing on 14th or 15th.
Yes. 14.
And my lord, let the name of the my lord complaint already wakalatnama filed. His name may be reflected in that.
Okay. Learned counsel, Mr.
B. Chaudhary, my lord.
V. Chaudhary is present for the petitioners and learned additional PP. Mr. P. Bothago is present for the respondent state. The respondent number 2, no?
2.
is awaited, no? Service report on respondent number 2 is
There
awaited.
is a wakalatnama that has been filed
Okay, okay,
on 24th.
okay. The notices issued to respondent number 2 have been served and an ukalatnama has been filed. Office to reflect the name of the learned counsel for the respondent number 2. Okay, this is what you are saying.
Yes, yes. Because I have not gone through the record, my lord, as per his, my lord.
Okay.
Correct. That
The NBWA, the interim order deferring the keeping the NBWA in abeyance will continue till the next date of listing.
14th.
Mm.
I'm
List
deeply
the
obliged.
matter on 14 July.
It will be listed for hearing.
Yes.
Deeply obliged.
No. Okay, yeah, list this. We have the LCR, no?
Yes, LCR with regard to a PRC case based on similar allegations,
LCR is, no?
not of this very CR case. This is a different proceeding altogether, which was withdrawn by the prosecution.
No, the LCR lagibo. We cannot list it for hearing. We'll leave
And
the
some
LCR.
protection, my lady, because the petitioner number 3 is someone who's
Of the NBWA in abeyance.
we'll have to appear the trial.
LCR.
The trial is proceeding.
Call for the trial court records, scan copies. Meanwhile, call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. You're already protected, don't worry. And then I have listed it before 16th. On 14th.
Deeply obliged.
My lord, I am really tired of this case.
I know. No, tired of waiting, I thought.
On 25th of March, the case was started, my lord.
Mm.
Once the respondent number 2 was not present, then the Honorable Court directed me to take step through police station. That was also done. Registry took step on 20th of May. Until that, nothing, no reply, my lord. What to do, my lord? It is a small matter, my lord, for only for the condonation of delay of 33 days, for which, my lord, the criminal division could not proceed, my lord.
This case is between private individuals.
Yes, my lord, husband and wife, my lord.
Okay, then we will have to serve the notice.
Twice, my lord, first, my lord, through registry, it has gone. Thereafter, through police station, police also could not find out. What is the matter? I could not understand, my lord.
Then can we appoint a legal aid counsel? Notice is not being served.
Even through police station.
Yes, state is not a party, my lord. Item number 57.
No, দুটা প্ৰাইভেট পাৰ্টিৰ মাজত আছে তাৰমানে হৈছে কি এতিয়া পুলিচ ষ্টেচনে দি আমি পঠিয়ালো তাৰপিছতো এতিয়াও অহা নাই
No, I think we'll have to issue notice once more. This is not notice was first issued on 25/3, so we'll have to issue notice once more.
Yes.
No, my lord. As per
Otherwise,
office
will
note
keep-
dated 2025, registry took step. Thereafter, next office note was 13/6, no report.
No, if state would have been a party, then I can get the instruction, but here state is
Through
not.
police station, we have taken step.
PPF.
Sansari police station.
Heard Miss N.S. Thakuria,
Yes.
learned counsel for the applicant, who has submitted that several notices were issued to the respondent, but notices were not served. Full stop. On the office note dated 9/5/2025 indicate that the notice has been returned back with the postal remark unserved. Thereafter, notice was issued through concerned police station, but the police was also unable to serve notice upon the respondent. Any
True, my client has said that she is there, my lord, in her proper place, my lord.
any substituted mode you want to take steps through Dusty or through police station or through newspaper advertisement?
Newspaper is too costly, my lord.
Yes,
She is
very
a
expensive.
poor person, my lord.
70,000 you will require.
Yes, my lord.
petitioner may take steps to issue notice to the respondent through Dusty
will be do.
Dusty service. Yes, then I think we will get a report. List the matter, petitioner or applicant, applicant. List the matter after 3 weeks.
My lord, kindly a date may be fixed. It
Date
is
is
very
fixed.
difficult, my lord, to
21st July.
oblige, my lord, oblige.
Item number 58.
Yeah, please, your lordship. My lord, this is an application under section 528 of BNSS, saying for quashing of the FIR as well as the entire proceeding, which is pending before the Lanet trial court. But
POSCO case, no?
POXO case, my lord.
What about respondent's notice?
My lord, service report is waited, but on 35/2025 notice was issued. My lord, LCR may be called for.
Okay. Petitioner is represented. Service report on respondent number 2 is awaited. Call for the call for the scanned copies of the trial court records along with the scanned copies of the CD. List the matter on. After 3 weeks. After 3 weeks.
Madam, I kindly fix it.
Date of the. Huh? This registry keeps on requesting us not to fix a date, but when the matters are urgent, we give a date.
No, my
Because
lord,
they are-
your lordship, after 4 weeks, because these are POSCO matters, my lord,
Ah.
they are not any.
After
there is
3
no such
weeks.
urgency, no.
My lord.